Yo. Damn. Rip. Snapchat, am I right? Damn. 23%. What's up, you guys? How's everybody doing? Pretty sad day, eh? Hey, so look, I've been having a pretty rough day, pretty rough week, honestly, but damn, this sucks right here. But we did play this one to the downside, so kind of, that's that win we needed to get that confidence back up. But today, I just want to go over some of the Snapchat earnings and just give you guys a few option plays for tomorrow. Yes, I've been taking L's, but that doesn't keep me from, trying to keep going and trying to keep pushing, finding trades and stuff, and still trying to, make some money. So I'm just going to go through the Snapchat earnings. I think they're pretty bad. I don't know what you guys think. So think about it. They were already going into this with pretty low guidance and stuff, and they still didn't beat. So that's really bad. And I think it's really just related to the ad spending. Like, a lot of people have cut back on it. So we'll go through this. Then I'll give you guys a few ideas for tomorrow, and really just want to go through the unusual whales. There's a few different things, a few stocks that I want to look at. But if you guys have tickers you guys want me to look at, or give you guys an idea of what I want, or just look at charts or whatever, just put them in the comments or the chat and stuff, and I can do that for you guys. And by no means is this any recommendations and stuff, because we're all still kind of learning. But if you guys want to join the Discord too, feel free to do that. It's free. That's why, because I'm still learning and stuff. That's free. I don't charge anything. There's a few people in there. It's not many. But it's honest work, So if you're interested in doing that, I'll put the link in the description. It should already be there, honestly. I'll put it on every video. But yeah, I'm just trying to get people to learn, and I'm learning too. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes, see if anybody shows up. If I doubt anybody shows up, but it's all good. I'm still gonna do this because I gotta do it, stuff that I'm interested in. So let me post this for you guys, and we'll get started. So Snapchat sinks about 20. I don't know how much it is actually. It's down to $12. It's 26% right now. Sheesh. But yeah, it's right here. Actually, I already highlighted. So I highlighted a few notes. Let me actually zoom in for you guys so we can read this a lot better. So like I was saying, like ahead of earnings or whatever, Snapchat actually already warned people like, yo, we're gonna do pretty bad on this next quarter. So they lowered their guidance, or they just warned people about it. And then I guess they didn't give in. So this is actually another bad thing, because they reported earnings and they didn't really give any guidance for the next quarter. So that's really just showing like more uncertainty for the business, and just really not giving us a timeline of like when things can actually get better, get more improvements and things like that. So just those kind of statements like really affect the stock, right? And then I guess just weak projections and things, especially like their numbers are just going to bring like all these some other sympathy plays like Alphabet, Meta, and Pinterest. Excuse me. And then yeah, and they're going to report next week. So next week is probably the biggest week. I don't know if you guys, let me go ahead and show you guys earnings for next week. Sorry if I'm diverging. If you guys want to use unusual whales, I'll put the link for this too. We'll be using unusual whales a lot, or I'll try to on this stream, so you guys can get an idea. Let me put that link real quick. Oh, and if you guys don't mind, just help me with the like or something. That'd be awesome. But I don't think anybody's in here actually, so it's all good. People will watch this later. This is unusual whales. Use the link here if you guys want 5%. And they have like all the flow and everything. This is the stuff for next week though, not including Sunday. We're off on Sundays, baby. It's church day. Where's it at? Okay, so next week is the 25th to the 29th. So we've got a few earnings here. For some reason, it's not showing Friday. Anyway, let me just screenshot this real quick, and then we can highlight the things that I'm interested in. And actually, I've already done that before, but we'll just do this really quick. Let me go ahead and space that out. So these are the big ones. Microsoft, Visa is actually pretty important, because you'll get an idea of like consumer spending and things. And I think MasterCard's over here. Yeah. I'm not gonna do those though, just because these are actually the bigger ones. Like MasterCard and Visa are big and stuff, and you'll get an idea of guidance. But the big ones, I'm not gonna spend money on a play for that's gonna move like $5-10, because they'll probably move like 2 or 3%. We're probably gonna be playing the big dogs, Amazon, Apple. Meta. So these are the big ones. Wednesday is pretty big. That's when things get interesting. Microsoft's going to be big too, actually, because they have the Microsoft Teams, Google, of course. So just a pretty heavy week. And Ford. This one will be interesting to play. I don't know if I'll play it. Maybe we'll see how it is when we get there. But these are the big ones. And then actually UPS. So I won't play UPS, but these are actually important ones that give you an idea of the economy, right? So UPS will tell you transportation and what's going on with that. Visa is going to help you with like consumer spending and just what credit, like how much people are spending and stuff. But the big ones, like I said, is definitely, and I probably should do this in a different color. Let me do like yellow, baby. It's going to be Meta. These three right here, Amazon, Apple. Yo, what's up, Greg? Hey, man, is this Greg from the Discord? What's up? Hey, we took that W though. Am I right? Man, dude, I feel like an idiot. I've been taking L's in there, but we just really needed this win. Right now, I'm just going over some of the stocks that people could look forward to next week. The yellow ones are the more important ones, the big dogs, the big four, big five, whatever. Google, Meta, Apple, and Amazon. But yeah, man, you fumbled with that $10 call or that $10 put. It would have been a play though if you would have got you some more time. Because I think right now Snapchat's down 26%. Sheesh. You would have been in good, bro. Anyway, yeah, let me do... These are the big ones. And like I said, we do have a few semiconductors, which I think will be interesting. Let me see if I can get my color back. Magenta. We have EVs and semiconductors next week too. So, I don't know if you guys will play that. People ain't got money, bro. Verizon expensive as fuck. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But you can play T-Mobile or AT&T. I think they just had earnings. That's Greg. Greg's in the Discord. You guys want to join the Discord? It's free. It's not like anything special. Not because I put effort into the Discord. We don't have that many people in there. But it's the links there. You guys can join if you want. And yeah, I'm not good at trading. I'm still learning. I've only been doing options for a year, so that's why I don't charge for it, because it's all a learning experience. But yeah, I was just highlighting a few of the semiconductors: Texas Instruments, Qualcomm, Intel, and then what was the other one? Oh, I think that's it. And then the big ones, the yellow ones, are the big four, big five, Google. So these are going to be related to the ad spending, which I was talking about, earnings. Google, Meta, and then these aren't really related, but they're still part of the big four or whatever. So if you guys want, I'll keep that page open in a little bit. Just want to go back to their earnings, and we'll kind of read some of this because it does affect like how we're gonna look into next week's earnings for Google. What was it? I think it just up here, Pinterest. And honestly, there's one on here that's not on the list, but I think Netflix could be affected by this now too, because they're gonna be doing ads, right? So they do ads for their live stream. They don't do ads yet, but they plan on doing an ad tier or something. So I don't know if that'll affect ads. And crazy, I never thought about Disney, but Disney might. I don't know. Did Disney get affected by ad spend? I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, and I appreciate everybody showing up. I think I got like a few viewers right now, so I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hitting the like. I was just going over the Snapchat reviews or the Snapchat earnings, pretty bad. Like year over year, they just kind of missed on everything. And I guess some of the challenges, before I even go to those numbers, is these are the challenges. There's the Apple transparency thing. Well, they gotta change those, so that kind of cuts back on their spend or on their yeah, I guess I would just say spending or revenue. The macro economic challenges is just basically, I guess, cutting their Snapchat from Russia and just the whole nonsense that's going on over there. And increased competition is actually a really big one, because I think a lot of people kind of pivot over to TikTok. Like TikTok is like the go-to app, like nobody, like if you ever go on Instagram, you see people like reposting their TikTok. You don't see people reposting their Snapchat story to Instagram. You see a lot of people retweeting or reposting their TikTok and stuff back into a different multimedia source platform or whatever. Why do you think Meta and like, well, Facebook, why do you think Facebook like copies everybody's ideas? Like first they copied Snapchat, and then now they copy TikTok, because TikTok like just taking a whole bunch of users. Like and even YouTube's doing that too, right? So like just what's the word? Just like competition is increasing for Snapchat. Like honestly, I don't even use Snapchat. I don't use TikTok. I basically use Twitter and Discord, but just like normal people, right? Like the Gen Zs and stuff, they probably think Snapchat's kind of like a boomer. Well, I don't know. A lot of people use Snapchat for drugs and stuff, so I don't know. I'm gonna cut it there with that. But what's up, June? Hey, what's up? What's up? How you doing today, June? Do I have your name right, June, or is it, I don't know, or is it Hoon, or is it Huna? I don't know. I feel like June, like the month, G or June. Feel like that's how it is. Let me know if I got it wrong though, and we can fix that. Anyway, for the earnings, I mean they just did terrible. Like I said, they were already talking about, hey, we're gonna miss on earnings and stuff, and then they reported a loss of 2 cents versus the loss of 1 cent. So they missed there, and then the revenue was bad. 1.1 billion or 1.11 billion versus 114. So they missed there. Their global users actually did good, which is actually weird compared to the, oh, he said it's good. their daily global users is they beat, but I think that's the only thing that you can really get out of the report. What is next for them? So I don't know. I guess they do have some stuff coming up, like what's next for the company. They just did like a Snapchat desktop version that they're trying to work on. So I don't really think that's a great idea. Like Instagram has the Snapchat website, or the Instagram has like the website product too, but I don't really use Instagram on my computer. I just use it on my phone. So I don't know if that effort and that resources is worth it there for Snapchat. I don't know. Do you guys use Snapchat, or do you guys use your Instagram on your computer or just on your phone? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of like wasted resources and effort. So I don't like that idea. And then the other thing I think that they announced was like a premiere, like an exclusive thing. Yeah, here it is. Snapchat Plus subscription service. So they'll be able to get like pre-release features and just like exclusive access to different things. So I think that's neat. That could be something that other people start picking up on for like Meta or TikTok. They might pick up something like that. I think this is a pretty neat idea. But yeah, the desktop, I'm not really feeling it, because everybody's already on their phones like 24/7. So and then when I'm on my computer, I'm doing like other like work and stuff, or I don't know. I just don't think it's worth putting those resources there. So anyway, I want to take a look at the stocks to watch tomorrow. Do you guys have any stocks to watch tomorrow? I can give you guys an idea of which ones I'm interested in. So let me go back to that image. Let me see. So here, actually this one's from next week. Maybe I don't need that one. 1 second, y'all. This is for tomorrow. So tomorrow, Friday, we have Verizon, American Express, and Twitter. So I think is Twitter already off the charts? Is it in the gutter, or is it not? Did it come down? It came down almost 2%. I think Twitter's like probably one of the, like the social media aspect, I like Twitter the best, but as a revenue, like as a company, as an investment, I think it's the worst. I think their balance sheet's pretty crappy, and their revenue's pretty bad too. Like it's just it's operated not correct. It's not operated good, I don't think. The other ones I was going to talk about is American Express and Verizon. That can have some sympathies, I guess, with banks. So American Express, you can play a few banks like JP Morgan, or what's the other one? Bank of America I hate, but you can still play it, I guess. And then actually you do have a few other banks. So Regions is going to be reported in the morning. So these two kind of go in line with each other, American Express and Regions. That'll give you guys like consumer like sentiment, like, how's the spending going. Verizon I think will be interesting. I would not play Verizon. I mean, it's too late to play Verizon, but obviously you can play that because of the 5G, what's going on with 5G and all that. Especially with like what's up with the heat waves and the power outages. Isn't that weird? Have you guys been going through some of that? Like my power went out like 4 times one day, and then yesterday I think it went out twice. It's just been it's been a lot. It's just part of the global warming, I guess. I don't know. It's part of a bigger plan. That's what they saying. But yeah, tomorrow I think will be interesting to get an idea of these. So banks are on the list. We'll look at the unusual wealth in just a little bit, and we'll take a look at stuff that I want to break down. I'm just writing some of these down for me right now. So, but I wish you guys would tell me the stocks you guys want me to look at. So I'm gonna just start with 32 sweeper. This is one of the filters I made. So I'm going back to unusual wealth. I put the link down there. This is the one I like to start off with, sweepers, and get an idea of sweeps that are getting bought. And I just do the ask. I just take off the bid because I want to see, you know, eagerness to buy something. And then I have the 25K, and I do 32 sweeper. That's the name I put it because it's 32 days within for date to expiration. And then 25K limit. So it's only sweeps. And yeah, see, you can see there's a few T-Mobile calls coming in here. So maybe like Verizon, that's something that I was talking about. I don't really care too much about T-Mobile. I think we should probably cover, what should we cover? Pinterest is one that I was interested in. Netflix is one that I'm interested in. Oh, Google's actually affordable now, so I think Google would be an interesting one. I think the market might just be down in general tomorrow. Wait, let me see. I've been wrong this whole week, so I don't know what to expect, honestly. One of the homies in the Discord is saying that he might go to 415. What do you guys think about that? He was telling about the weekly. So on the weekly, it looks like our level's like up here, 415. I see the first level being here at like 405. We're like currently filling the gap here, so you can't see it there, but hey, what's up, Edwards? Hey, appreciate the thumbs up, brother. Yeah, hey, if you have any stocks you want me to look at in the chart, I'm not the best. I've been taking L's all week, but I did get that Snapchat dub though. I don't know. Did you guys play Snapchat puts or no? So yeah, we're trying to fill the gap right now to 401. Like right now, it's actually coming back down. So I think probably we come down and retouch this level here, like 395 and 393. 393, yeah. Just because we're selling off because of all the fear of Snapchat. But the homie says that it won't affect he says it won't affect it too much. I don't think it will, honestly, either. But since they haven't reported yet, so normally I think like Facebook and Google report before Snapchat. This time Snapchat reported first, I think. Let me make sure that's right. So let me do that really quick. Snapchat, like Snapchat's last earnings, when was it? When did they report? Let me go to the daily. So Snapchat's last earnings was on 21st of April. Let me see what Facebook was. Facebook, 21st of April. Oh no, they did report after. So they reported first and then they beat Google. And Mara seems good. Oh yeah, a lot of people were talking about Mara and Riot being short squeeze candidates. This was Google last time. It actually gapped down. You guys want me to look at Riot blockchain? So I think the first thing to look for Riot is looking at Bitcoin. Is that right? Don't you want to track Bitcoin, see how it's doing? But it looks like it's breaking out. I thought it was a bear flag here, but it's like been taking so long, honestly. So the reason, the reason I thought this was a bear flag is because you got the pull here, and then you got the three double tops here, and then if you were break down, then it would fall down to this much down here, which would be I can just copy this here actually. It would be like something like this, and it'd come down to like I think like 12,000 or something, or 10,000. You guys think Bitcoin will come down to 10,000? I don't know if it'll come down. I'm gonna do a poll real quick. You guys think Bitcoin comes? What do you guys think? You guys think Bitcoin goes to 30K or 15K first? It's like right in the middle right now. Bitcoin. I know we're kind of getting distracted right now. Bitcoin hits 30K or wait, did I say 30K? Yeah, 30K or 15K first. Yeah, let me do that. I'm gonna do 30K, 15K. What do you guys think? I haven't traded Bitcoin or anything because it's been a mess with taxes, honestly. Taxes like have been a mess for me. Like last year I traded a whole bunch of crypto and it was a headache trying to get all my taxes and stuff done because I even paid for somebody to do my taxes and they didn't want to do them. They said you got to get all your transactions done. So once there's like better there's a better system with that, I would say that I would definitely be down to trade crypto because it's open 24/7, you know. It's a stock market open 24/7. But right now I don't know, I feel like it's too early. Well, it's not early because I was already trading it, but I didn't think Bitcoin was early, but it's just like at the end I ended up paying for it. I think Bitcoin's bearish right now, isn't it? I think it's getting back inside this like wedge, or not wedge, this channel here. It's probably going to come back down to 22. Is there some reason that Bitcoin is rallying? Is there a reason, Edwards? But let's look at Bitcoin. Doesn't look great right now. It did break out, but it like, you know, it got back inside this ascending resistance, what you call it, and I think it's going to come down to like 22. Just retouch this level down here. Yeah, like 21.8, 22. I would think it's going to come back in there. You said that Mara, right? Let's take a look at Mara. What do you think about here? Didn't it fill the gap already? There's a gap right here. It looks like it filled it. The merge is coming. What is the merge? Oh, is it for Ethereum? Is the Ethereum merge coming? Let me do this. I think there's a gap fill right here. Damn. Yeah, I think I already filled this bad boy. Yeah, it already filled it, right? And it's closing here. I don't know if it keeps going. You think it keeps going? Where's the resistance at? It doesn't have much more gas though. And that's the top right here. 15, 20. I think it'd be time to get some puts on this, honestly, I think. I hate to be against you, but I think it's time to get some puts on this. You know, it probably comes down to like 930. Maybe it's what it wants. Oh, Ethereum too. I didn't even check Ethereum. Let me look at Ethereum. The hell is Ethereum at? USDT. I don't have this one. I do have it. Ethereum looks good. Doesn't it look good? It's got some room to come up here to like what, like 18k is probably this resistance up here at this level. It looks good though, but it kind of looks like similar to Mara, honestly. Doesn't Mara mine Bitcoin though? It doesn't mine Ethereum. Is there any companies that actually mine just Ethereum focused? I'm gonna go back to Mara. What do you guys want me to cover here on this is Mara. It looks just like Bitcoin or Ethereum actually. What the hell? This is not it. It looks just like Ethereum. The charts look pretty similar. This is not it. This is the futures. My bad, King. Look, it looks pretty similar to Mara. He said, I don't know. GME has an NFT market now. Oh yeah, dude. GME was nice, bro. We talked about this one last time. What do we have here? I think somebody. What did we have? I think we were talking about a cup and handle. Yeah, we were talking about a little cup and handle here. There was a cup and a handle. And we said if it broke out of here, start gassing. Today's the first red day on it. It's been pretty good though. GME. POLESTAR and D-Walk. Damn. Alright, let me cover GME real quick. Or do you guys want me to cover Mara? Damn, I didn't expect to have that many people in here, honestly. I appreciate you guys. Yes, sir. It's not much, but it's honest work. I think GME still looks good, honestly. At least as long as it holds above here, like 150, psychologically, you know. It's just a waiting game, honestly. And I've actually got into some Twitter spaces where there's people that just talk about GME like nonstop. GME has like some really good support here. Like it's got all this consolidation here, and like all these wicks here. It's like just really good support for it. So I think the end, yeah, it'll definitely come up to like 180. I think like this was the cup and handle. When you do that, this distance here is like the end of the pattern, which is like up here, which would be like this level here, like even like 170, you know, I'd be generous. I'll be like conservative and do like 170. Somewhere around this range is probably where it kind of it runs up to it and then consolidates here, similar to like this history here. What do you think? I'm supposed to be doing options, unusual options. Like, I'll do unusual options in just a second. We can actually pull that up real quick. Let me do that. Let me just go ahead and do that for you guys. We'll do some unusual options for GME real quick. And my man wanted damn. Oh, Michael Anthony Argo is going much higher to almost $9. Damn. They got so many stock tickers. I don't know. You guys gotta help me with this. What's going on? And let me peep the poll real quick. I want to see what you guys are voting for. Oh shit, everybody's bearish. Everybody said 15K. Yeah, I agree. 15K. Let me do the GME. Actually, let me do we're gonna do short term. We're gonna do the 32G filter. We're gonna apply that bad boy in there. I got a couple on me, you know, I keep a couple of those filters on me. I'm just gonna see what GME's talking about over here. So it didn't have a red day today. Yeah, it had a almost 4% day. It's down on the after hours, but let's take a look at the 32G. Let's see what the 32G is talking about. Also, like I said, if you guys want to join the Discord, there's a link down there. It's free. Join now while it's free. I don't know. Just trying to grow a community, and then use the Unusual Wealth link if you guys want to save on sign up. There's a lot of puts being bought for next week. That's next week, right? All right, let me pump up the premium a little bit. Oh, it's because I have. Let me do the ask only. There's a lot of bearish flow today. There's a lot of people buying the 50 puts for next week. Yeah, I'm gonna star this. It could be a bad day. I thought it would look good. I thought it would look good for me. I guess if it comes underneath 50, then people. I don't know if people will sell, but I think they'll short it. I wouldn't say sell. It could be that it got rejected up here at this level here, like, but I thought it looked good. It doesn't. It's hard to say. It's hard to. Isn't there a split coming? Did the split already happen though? Actually, no. I thought it happened. Like, when does it happen? I know I was talking to somebody about the stock split soon. POLESTAR and DWALK. Damn, I'm not getting anywhere. What do you guys want? Do you guys want me to talk about GME? Don't they have a splits coming up? Yeah, it says right here. It's like on. Oh, it's tomorrow. Oh shit. Yeah, I would not play options right now for stock splits because the IV pump is gonna change. It's 4-to-1, right? Or what's the stock split for GME? I forgot, dude. GME split. Just quickly look up. Split into 38. Oh, tomorrow. Damn, it's gonna be a big day for GME actually. Tomorrow, I would just trade. If you're gonna trade GME, I would just trade stock. I wouldn't trade options because the IV is gonna probably be pumped up. Or it could just mess up the whole options chain, and I know that happened with my POLESTAR. And I know a couple people that got screwed over the POLESTAR chain too. So yeah, honestly, I wouldn't be holding any options right now for GameStop. I'd be careful though. Happened last Friday. What you mean it happened last Friday? I think it happens tomorrow. I think it happens tomorrow is what it says. It hasn't split yet. It says tomorrow. 2022 June 22. I think the split happens tomorrow. Yeah, it'll start trading at 38, so that means they're doing like, yeah, it's a 4-to-1 split. Tomorrow's the split divvy. Oh, is that what this is? LOL, my bad, King. I was getting that one wrong. I think it looks good as long as it holds 50. I would just be careful of options, and a lot of the flow that I saw was like a lot of bearish puts. Like there was no call activity here. So I would, honestly, I wouldn't be playing calls right now. It just doesn't look good for me personally. There's like 144. Everything's bearish right now. And this is all short term. So this is for like next week. This is the 729s. Now I wouldn't say everything's like straight up confirmed bearish because some of these are like the bid and spread is kind of in the middle. So it's like 680. It's closer to the ask. So it is confirmed, like most likely, but there's nothing's guaranteed, you know what I'm saying? But I think definitely watch 150. I think that's important support, like I showed you guys. Just I'm gonna get rid of that, try to keep my charts clean. Yeah, I like GameStop though. Go to the moon, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go back to Polestar because I think a lot of people want me to talk about Polestar. There just hasn't been any activity with Polestar right now, and it's actually really depressing because it's a good stock, but no, it's a good company, but a bad stock, isn't it? Am I right? It's just been so frustrating. I don't even look at my options because they're like down 80%, and they're pretty much worthless. And the stock's just the stock there. I haven't looked at the short interest. Let me look at that for you guys actually. Intel is where I have to go, right? I haven't looked. Honestly, there hasn't been any news on Polestar. It's like something's not right. You know what I'm saying? What do you think, Ronald? Are you still there, Ronald? Did you dip? My man probably dipped. Does anybody have any updates on this? Because what's going on with Polestar? You know, they shorted it. They ain't. It's frustrating. I'll be honest. But that's why I've been busy with. Oh, there's no shares available. I'll be honest, it's frustrating because there's no news, there's no volume. Like, what's going on? You know, like it's still a business. Obviously, people have their cars out in the wild. So what's up with that? You know what I'm saying? So Polestar, dude, Polestar. Yeah, there's just no volume. Like, what's today's volume? Wait, 1.8 million. Honestly, I'm so surprised. I thought this would be trading around 8. Sheesh. And yeah, and then we lost the trend. Remember this trend I showed you guys a while ago? Like, I'm not trying to say anything, but just like, we had this trend a while ago. Once we like kind of sold off of it, like, I guess people started selling or they started shorting it. So it's just been no, honestly, until we get back above 10, like I haven't really followed up on it. There hasn't been any news. So that doesn't mean I don't like the company. I still like the company. It's just like, it's just been a terrible stock. I think you guys can agree. Am I right? It's frustrating though. I'm gonna clear this stuff out so you guys can get a better idea. Let me see. Yeah. So what does it look like right here? It kind of does look like a bear flag though, didn't it? So it's got the pole here. Let me do this here real quick. Even like that, bear flag. So it could be. I don't know if this is gonna be the actual thing. I'm usually always wrong. But that wouldn't make any sense. That means we would come back to that down to $7 if it's a bear flag. It's kind of, it's not like steep enough to be a bear flag, honestly, but it can still be a bear flag. I think it'll come back down and retouch 10, and then if it fails to like, so this is what I think. So I think it's kind of curling back up. I think it'll come back and retest $10. And if it gets rejected, then it's going to come back down to this level here, around $9. That's me personally thinking though, you know? Options, let's take a look at options for it. Polestar, baby. And DWALK, I like DWALK. I just like DWALK, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do 25,000. See. So there's only like somebody buying $83K. Well, this is for 715. This has been, no, there's nothing here for Polestar. This is short term though. So let me just get rid of that. There's puts. There's people buying puts, $10 puts for next year. That's weird, bro. What the hell? That's super weird. Edward says a lot of EV stocks are shorted. Yeah, I know. But you know what's frustrating is that I don't want to shit on anybody, but Lucid's still trading around $20. Like, why? I don't explain it. People are talking about a short squeeze with this one. And I think the way it's like holding up, it might actually do a short squeeze. Honestly, there's such a big following on it. But I think Polestar is a better company. It's just a bad stock. And I wish I knew that because one of the homies in here, Greg, he's probably dipped already, but he was like saying that it's been his worst thing that could have happened to him. Damn. Let me look at so Polestar in the short term, we're probably gonna go back. We're probably gonna go back to 10. What was weird was that $10 puts. Everybody's buying puts for some reason. What the hell? Let me just peep this out real quick. I'm gonna reset my filter just to make sure we're good. We're gonna go to the triple G. Yeah, the triple G is the original filter, you know? You guys can do this on your own. By the way, you guys can look at this stuff. I put the link. Let me pin the link. I'm gonna pin the link above. Damn, nobody voted on damn, nobody's voting on that crypto? What do you guys want to vote on then? Come on. I'm gonna post the link again because I lost it. If you guys want to use the unusual whales, here's 5% off the referral code but you save 5% on yours each month, so it's worth it for sure. And it helps me out too, so it's a win-win, honestly. But where's the... Yeah, nobody wants to vote on the Bitcoin. How about instead of Bitcoin, I'm gonna end that. Cut it. We're gonna do a different poll. Let me end it. End poll. I'm gonna do a different poll. I want to know if you guys think the market's red or green tomorrow. I think it's gonna be red. Oh yeah, but I'm always wrong. So SPY, green or red tomorrow. I think it's gonna be red just because of Snapchat, but you know, we're in earnings season, so it doesn't really care about anything, honestly. But shit, I don't know. All right, let me look at POLESTAR real quick, and then we're gonna look at, what was the other thing we're gonna look at? The thing is, I gotta get a couple. Oh yeah, we gotta do Twitter too. Sheesh. Let me just look at Michael Anthony's. He wanted me to look at AGRO, much higher to almost 9. Just kind of curious. There's nothing on this bad boy for some reason. Yeah, there's nothing going on with PSNY. What's going on with it? Let me look at this. Just cancel this. PSNY. I think everything's for October. What? Let me do 5,000 real quick. Yeah, there's not that much. Everything's like for October or next year. Do 25,000. Today, no, this was yesterday, so there's like not even any activity today. Damn. So no, POLESTAR is like, in the short term, it's just something to watch, honestly. We're gonna look at ARGO because I'm curious to what the homies gotta say. Oh, this thing's got no volume, bro. Come on now. He said it's going to 9. Is this going to 9? AGRO. Did I click on the wrong one? Oh, it's this one. My bad, King. That Bank Raya. This one does have volume, actually. It's a commercial bank services. It operates through the following 3 segments. Okay, yeah. Does it have earnings? No, it doesn't have earnings. It does look good. It does look good. It does look good. Let me go to the 1 hour real quick. Está low. Where should we put the little support there? What do you think? That looks right. We're gonna do this here. Yeah, so this is this. Yeah, it's trying to get. Why is this in? Is this a different currency? Let's say 750. What the hell? Is this it, bro? Is Michael Anthony in here? Oh, Michael Anthony's gone. What happened to Snapdrop aftermarket? Bro, you wouldn't believe it. I don't know what this is, man. Hit me up on the Discord. I don't know what happened, Trigger, man. Something triggered though, for sure. No pun intended there, but no, it was the earnings. Come on, man. You saw the news. I'm gonna look up Twitter. I think Twitter misses. Like if Snapchat misses, I don't want to throw the jinx out there because I've been wrong on every play. So if I say it's gonna miss, it's probably gonna beat. But it actually looks like it has maybe an inverse head and shoulders. Does this look like an inverse head and shoulders or no? Yeah, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders, my guy. What do you guys think? Let me get rid of this. Probably blocking the vision. You guys see the vision here or no? Earnings is low. Yeah, so they went into earnings with low expectations, and then they still missed. Like, come on now. This is an inverse head and shoulders, my guy, I think. Esta loca vida. I think it's gonna come back down to 36. And then honestly, Elon pumped this, man. So bad for you guys. I feel bad. I hope you're not getting calls on Twitter. Well, I wouldn't say that because then it's gonna go up, but I don't know. I've been wrong all the time. What's the expected move for Twitter? Let me peep real quick what this is all unusual wells, baby. You guys need to get unusual wells. I put the link down there, pinned up at the top. Expected move is 3.7%. Let me pull that up. 3.7%. So that's 0.963 times, what is it at? 38. Okay, times 38. 80. So only like $1 move. That's crazy. I think it's because it's got a lot of what? Does it have a lot of float? What's the float on this bad boy? 630. It's not terrible for a big tech, but it's only expected to go down to what? Yeah, bro, it's Tesla. Check it out. I think it will push up higher tomorrow. That's crazy. Yeah, a lot of people are bullish for tomorrow. I feel like the ad stuff like really calmed a lot of people, but I've been getting wrecked. I was bearish all week, so I haven't been on point lately. Twitter, what are you thinking, William? What are you thinking? What are you thinking here with Twitter? I think it's gonna come back down to 36. I think it's gonna come back down here. But the chart looks like the chart has like this inverse head and shoulder possibility here, which is bullish, but it looks like it got rejected already, so that's bearish. But if it can hold above here, like this neckline, what's it, 39, which it's already broken. If it can hold underneath, above there, I'm sorry, if it can hold above there, then you're talking about a breakout going back up to this gap fill, going to 44, King. What do you think? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bull ram, bro. Big down to 33. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So it looked like an inverse head and shoulder, and it looked like it got rejected there. So that's a bearish indicator for me. And so I'm thinking 36, easy. But my man's saying 33. That's crazy. Where's that at? That's down here. Yeah, I got that marked up. Awesome. Something down here, King. There was one that I missed. Let me see. Did I miss anybody? William Edwards, is he still in here? Oh, he wanted DWAC. No, Ronald. I think Ronald did. So we're going to pull up Tesla. I think Ronald head out already. Well, I ain't going to do him dirty like that. Let's take a look at DWAC. Because DWAC goes with Twitter, right? Am I right? Well, let's take a look at this. Oh, and before we move away from Twitter, let me peep some of the flow for Twitter, King. I got you. My outs are getting clapped. Huh? My puts. I think Jabril Warren. There's a lot of bearish. There's a lot of people selling calls. Yeah, Twitter's like overvalued at $40. It should be trading at like $30 at least. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me apply the 32G, because once you apply that, you don't go back. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Let me do Twitter real quick. And I see you guys liking up the video. Thank you. Thank you guys for that. Appreciate it. Yeah, I don't ask for much. Most of the flow here was bearish, it's looking like. They selling calls, selling puts. But where's the spreads? Let's look at the spreads. Oh, so they're just selling. Where's the spread at? They're selling puts. They're selling calls. It could be that it just stays in between 36 and 43. What do you guys think? Maybe it doesn't drop, This is for like mid-August though. It could be that people want these yeah, it's definitely not going to cross. I don't think it's going to cross $40. People are selling the $40 calls for tomorrow. And then at the end, people are selling $43 calls. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, bro. Like if people think it's going to go back up like to 43, it could, but bro, why is the SPY so I don't know, bro. Honestly, I've been taking L's too, man. My guy, like, I've been taking L's all week because I've been bearish. I had Amazon puts, I got crushed. I had Qualcomm puts, which the Qualcomm puts is my fault. I know better than that because I saw the bill coming. I don't know if you guys saw the Unusual Wealth Sunday, but I was calling Qualcomm bullish when it was like $33, but damn, you know what I'm saying? It's just crazy. Yeah, Twitter, they holding her down, bro. But it's overvalued. It shouldn't be trading out here. Their revenue's trash. Let me show you guys their trash revenue. So, what's the market cap on it right now? Right now, it's... No, I love Twitter. The platform is dope. The operations are bad. 30 billion market cap. Revenue, like 1 billion each year, or with 1 billion each quarter. Let's go to the balance sheet. Where's the balance sheet at? Where's their cash at? I know they got cash. Where the cash is at? Total current liabilities, current assets, cash, short-term investments. 2021, 6 billion. Oh, this is investments. Yeah. Where's the total cash though, my guy? Oof. Where's it at, King? Well, you guys get the idea. Let me peep the overview. I think they have full stats on this bad boy. Statistics here. All right, here we go. Price to sales ratio is like a 6, right? Because they're bringing in, how much revenue did I say they were bringing in? I'm like, damn, man, for real. Here's some of the key statistics. Number of employees. A lot of people got fired, my guy. A lot of people got fired. Yes, sir. Cash flow. Where's the cash flow? Oh, wait. We already looked at that. Wait, maybe we need cash flow. I'm just trying to look at the revenue. Income statements. EBITDA 670. Oof. Oof. You know what I'm saying? Ain't got nothing going on. This is annually though. You might want to look at the quarters. So income revenue 1.2 billion. They only brought in 500 million, like half of that. What's up with that? Come on now. Yeah, I don't think Twitter needs to be up here though, for real. And it got rejected. I think 36. I think 36. They're gonna pin her. They're gonna pin her here. In between this and here, they're gonna pin her. A lot of people are gonna be getting calls up here for that gap fill, and it ain't gonna happen. A lot of people are gonna be getting those puts for the 33. It might not happen, bro. It might not happen. The expected move is only 3.7%. We did the math on that, right? Remember, we did that math earlier. So like $37. Tesla chart, please. Oh, yes, sir. Right away. Yeah, right away. On my back, King. My back. Right away. Right away. Oh, so yeah, this one. Oh, honestly, I thought that Tesla is about done, just because it broke out. The 200 moving average is up here. This is the 200 moving average on the daily, so a little more significant. So I think tomorrow will be definitely be significant to see if we retrace back to this downtrend resistance here. So maybe like 7.7 with like 760, something around there. What are you thinking? I call everybody kings, by the way, so I just gotta show you guys you're worth it, you know? You feel me? You feel me? Yes, sir. I gotta tell you, everybody, you gotta know your worth. You gotta know your worth. I think it got rejected basically. It's down $4. I think maybe it retouches that $800 psychologically, but I think eventually it comes down to this. With like 6. What do you think, man? I know you got calls. You're gonna get mad at me. That's just what I think, though. And you're in luck actually, because everything I've been calling does the opposite. So you're in luck. But yeah, I think it 762, 765. Let's just say 765. I think it comes back another $40, which is it's not a big percent. Oh, he wants me to check the flow. My bad. Okay, yes, sir. 1 second, master. But let me do this quick math. So that is carry the 1, right? Nah, I'm kidding. I'm good at math. I'm good at math. Now I'm on the spotlight. So it's 38 plus 15. What's that? 53. So 53 divided by 815. So it's only 6%. It's only a 6% move. And actually, I could have just done this, but I just wanted to show you my math skills. But oh, it's not even. It's about 7%. Yeah, I'm about right. I'm about right. If you want me to check the flow, that's right. That's right. Let's go and pull that up real quick for you. Now, what do you think about? Are you bullish on Tesla? I think you said you're bullish, Trigger Man. I probably got you triggered right now because I was bearish on it. But let me see. Right now we got the 32G applied. All right, so we're gonna take off the bid. All right, we're gonna do 32 days. We only want, you know, out the money, no in the money. Definitely will go higher. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, a lot of bullish flow at the end of the day. That's crazy, actually. A lot of calls, 820 calls. So definitely higher is what my man's saying. Let me peep this real quick. The short term also, this is for tomorrow, 825s. Where's the big money at though? Let's bump this up a little bit. Yes, freaking bullish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, towards the end, like last minute, it looks like a lot of people got the 820s, the 855s. These are for like mid-August, which, by the way, I think Tesla should have a rally going into summer. I mean, I know we're in the summer, but my man, you gotta pull up the weekly right here, and this is kind of like a head and shoulders pattern, which is in the long term a bearish pattern, but that means we get one more rally, one more summer rally. Go retest like the 860 level here, maybe 900s. I don't know, possibly. long term. I don't know if you guys see that, but it is looking like a head and shoulders, people, right? So now we're kind of in the shoulder pattern again, so where we could hit 900, get rejected, and then we have the huge market crash coming down to like $200, $300. I think a lot of people are going to be scooping up those shares. Am I right? But you know, let me be real with you guys. As like as an investor for Tesla, I think it's great. But honestly, Elon's been rubbing me the wrong way. Like, no pun, like no homo, but he's been rubbing me the wrong way. He's been doing a lot of shady stuff, you know. But my man said we're going higher. I think you're right though, because I think this $800 support is strong. I think it's stronger than my last relationship, actually. Yeah, my last relationship wasn't that strong though, so I don't know. Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and slap that here. Yeah, we got that strong support. Yeah, you see that? It's right there. You see it. You see it. 792 down to 765. I think we retouch it though. I think we retouch it. Like, usually when you break out of like resistance, you come back, retouch it, and then you keep pushing forward. You know what I'm saying? Just like me. You know, sometimes, you know, it's a step back, but then I keep pushing forward. Like today, yesterday I took an L, and I'm pushing forward, King. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you guys enjoyed the show, make sure you hit the like button and grab your souvenirs. We got the gift shop right over here. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm just feeling good because I took a dub on the Snapchat. Like, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It just feels good because I've been, like I told you, I took some L's. You know, sometimes you want to quit, but you gotta get back on that horse, baby. You gotta get back on that Snapchat. So yeah, I personally think, you know, maybe a little small pullback, especially with the negativity going out there. Let me see what the future's looking like. Future, ooh, hold up. How are the futures looking, people? Yeah, they're down a little bit, almost 0.5%. Yeesh. That shit might stick. It might stick into tomorrow. Do we have any so that's why I kind of also want to confirm, like, yeah, a lot of people. Well, let me look at the spread real quick. So they're buying the 8, oof, and they're selling. Oh, see, they got you here. They're selling these. It's only 6K though. They're selling 880 puts, and they're selling. Yeah, they're just selling the 880. I don't really care about the August though. We care about next week, maybe a week after next week. But yeah, that's a little further out. 29. They're buying the 29 puts, the 810 puts. And they're buying the 830s. But they're buying way more puts. Like, they're buying 365K and they're buying 39K. So that really cancels out these 830 calls. I think it's like a little hedge, you know? Oh, and then they're still leaning a little bit more bearish. But Beverly, careful. Beverly. Oh, be very careful with the Snapchat. It will go back tomorrow, 16 and higher. Yeah, no, I'm definitely going to take my profits tomorrow. I have to. I need money. Soldier on. Yes, sir. Oh, my man Joe, what's up, dude? I didn't mean to miss you. Any idea on when PSNY pops were just getting abused? Hey, dude, you said it. You speaking right out of my soul, bro. You took that out of my book. Yeah, POLESTAR, man, I think we're going to go back up to 10, and we might get rejected because there's no volume. And this is not looking good, the MACD, which I don't use much, but, you know, your boy's starting to use it. And yeah, we fell out of this nice little channel we had. We tried to get in it and just failed. I think we're gonna get one more turn, one more attempt at $10, and then we'll probably get rejected and people are gonna short on it. And the main thing, honestly, for it is this volume, man. There's no volume. It's like 1.82 million. Like, imagine how many shares we have in our float. Well, it says we have 466 million share float. Like, only trading one, like, what the hell is that? Come on now. Like, 1 out of 466, that's like not even 1% of our float is being traded. So it's depressing, Joe. I'm gonna be real with you. But yeah, honestly, my puts, or not my puts, that'd be funny, wouldn't it? Nah, my calls on this, they're for 819. They're done. They're fried. All right, they're like well done, actually. They took them. They kept them in the oven. I kept them in the oven too long. And they're done. They're GG, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna let them ride, you know. I put them on cruise control. I'm focusing on other things. And yes, Joe PSNY. Yeah. So no, honestly, man, shares are good. It's like it's a good company. I don't know. Are you still here, Joe? Let me know if you're still here. I'm trying to be real with you right now. The company's good, you know. Let me go ahead and pull this up for you too, actually, if you forgot what we stand for here. But we stand for Polestar, you know. It's a good one. It's a good one, King. It's a good car. You know, let's be real. Mileage, the range is not great, but the car is good. The deliveries are out there. The market's out there. You know, the future's out there. We got P3 coming in a few months, which, by the way, is around my birthday, so might have to scoop me one up. No, I'm kidding. I can't afford it. But no, it's just like it's a good company. But you see, here's some of that market share we got. Their locations, but spaces. But yeah, the stock, man, they clowning on us, you know. They're making a fool out of us. So I'm just gonna close that one for another day, bro. Honestly, not the shares, not the shares. I'm just saying, yeah, I just don't want to think about it anymore. Yeah, it's freaking bullish. HCA is worth looking. All right, it better be worth it though. Come on now, don't play with me. Don't play with me. 181, bro. What kind of money you got over there? Can barely afford the contracts on this one, King. What does it do though? Is it healthcare services? So healthcare has been getting smacked, hasn't it? Let me pull up the by the way, if you guys want to check out Unusual Whales, I pinned the link in the above description. You get 5%. I'm just gotta plug that in, you know. I'm gonna find the sectors flow. Let's peep the sectors flow real quick. So this is the sectors for today. Maybe I should have started with this green, baby, like money, like money. It's a little bit of red energy. I'm not done with energy though. I'm not done with energy. Energy's got a long way to go. They're just taking a breather. You know when you're like, you've been running for a while, you just need to catch your breath. That's what it's doing right now. That's weird. Telecommunication and services is down. What's up, Betty? Hey, is only fractional shares being posted? What do you mean? Damn. I don't know what you mean by that. Let me make sure I got all the chat comments. My puts. Yes, sir. Tesla chart, please. Did we finish Tesla? Let me see if I finished Tesla. Damn, I'm all over the place, bro. You should see my house. Yeah. Nah, don't look at my house. I haven't. Nah, it's clean. It's clean. I'm just trolling. I'm a troll. But you know, it's honest work though. You know, these jokes don't just come out of nowhere. Sometimes freaking bullish. I need one more big push tomorrow so I can cash. Yeah, man. Honestly, you should have already cashed out. My man here on the Discord, he took profits on his what do you do? I forgot. He took profits, which is smart. And I congratulate him because he's been killing it in the Discord. I've been getting wrecked, but he's been doing good. I don't know what kind of strategy he follows, but I'm gonna sign up for his class if he has one. I need one big push. Yeah, honestly, you should have took that profit today though, King. It's all good though. We gonna learn. Yeah, Spy's taking a dump right now, but damn. Yeah, would Edwards say damn? Is Edwards gone? Did he leave? He might have dipped already. Soldier on, yes sir. Bull trap. Back. Be careful. Tomorrow back to 16. So you think Snapchat? I don't know, bro. I don't know. If it breaks under 12, there's like no support down here. We got no support down here. And it's like new. It's like uncharted waters. You know what I'm saying? It's never been down here. So if it breaks like 1192, I think is a support. I kind of charted that out earlier. Yeah, that's why it's holding right there. It's like the last string. You guys ever seen Spider-Man? Let me see. Let me go to GIFs. I usually have my best conversations with GIFs. You know what I'm saying? Spider-Man train. This is how it feels right now. Like this. Like that's Snapchat right now. Like that bitch is holding on barely. Yeah, it's like right here, just sheesh. Anyway, it's a bull trap. AMZ chart, please. I got you. Somebody said right earlier too. Let me Twitter puts. Oh yeah, any idea? PSNY, yeah. PSNY is chilling, you know. It's like a sleeping giant, you know. They don't have anything going. Who doesn't? You mean Polestar probably, right? Yeah, they've been chilling. They've been sleeping. The CEO's been like hella quiet. I don't know what's going on. I need one more big push. Soldier on. It's a bull trap. AMZ chart. Let me see what AMZ chart is. Pull that up in a second. And the homie Eddie, what's up? I'm pretty heavy on POLESTAR. Yeah, I know, man. We talked about that one. Yeah. It looks like it wants to come retouch $10, really, but if there's no volume coming in, I would take profits here. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, honestly. I'm about break even on my shares. I'm actually thinking about just, I don't know, honestly. I'm going to save that for when it comes there. I usually like have it on the side. Like I have a few charts I have pulled up. I always keep POLESTAR on the side in case that mug want to run. I gotta keep my eye on it. So I keep that motherfucking thing on me, you know? Is it only fractional shares being posted? Oh, you're talking about this? I think you're talking about the fractional. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. That would be weird. It's all shares being posted. You know, because you can see the same thing on here. Oh look, Snapchat's trending, Meta's trending, Twitter's or AT&T's trending. What was it? PSNY. No, it's all the volume that's traded today. Yeah, 1.8 million. I mean, that'd be some real corrupt stuff if they're not posting all the volume, but I don't think that happens ever. There's like dark pool activity, but as far as like volume for the actual NASDAQ and stuff, I think it gets posted. Yeah. So let me see. I'm pretty heavy. Yeah, no, still here. Yes, sir. Let's go. My man wanted to check Ride. Rides? I don't know. How do you feel about Ride? I'm a big EV guy. Like, I'm a big electric vehicle guy, but I think Ride's, it's a done one. I think everybody, so the thing that happened with Ride was this a SPAC pump. I think some other YouTubers were pumping it too, and I was hyped for Ride. I thought the truck was cool. I was like, okay, this is legit, you know, because I didn't know better. You know, but then like once you see Ford actually doing and delivering, then you see like, okay, this is just a joke. And then the thing that's crazy is the founder, what's his name, Steve or whatever, he actually founded Workhorse. He dipped, and then he went and founded Ride, and now he dipped Ride. And Workhorse is probably a dime business too. Like they were delivering 5 vans each quarter, which is like embarrassing, honestly. So I think this was running up pretty, yeah, it was running up a while ago. But yeah, no, I'm sorry if you're in Ride. I think eventually they'll get bankrupt though. There's like a few other ones that have already bankrupt, like Elms. I don't know if you guys saw Elms bankruptcy. Yeah, this is just the start though, you know, this is just the beginning. EV startup Electric Last Mile Delivery Solutions declare bankruptcy after a year of going public. So I think Ride, I haven't honestly followed up with Ride, with the Ride stock, with their news and stuff, but last time I think they sold their, didn't they sell their factory? Like if they sell their factory, like how are they going to produce vehicles? But it's a $2 stock. Market cap, where's the market cap on this? 457 million, and they don't even have revenue. I don't think they have revenue. Let me see. Yeah, they don't have any revenue. Yeah, I don't know, man. This one's tough. Maybe you're talking about charts though. Charts, go to the daily. I don't think this one gets that much volume. Yeah, it only gets like 2 million in volume. This one probably doesn't move much, honestly, right? It moves like 10 cents a day. Yeah. Damn, that's sad, honestly. I don't know, man. I feel bad for you. I mean, not for you, but for whoever's in this thing. I'm sure you're not in this. I'm sure you got out. It's breaking back out above what, 213, 215. Where's the next support at? Support resistance. Yeah, it's not much. It's not far. It's like 250. They'll probably short it at 250. They'll probably go up to this for 250 and then they'll short it again. Just kind of like the same abuse. You know, it runs up, gets shorted. Runs up, gets shorted. Damn, he LOL'd. Damn. I don't think you're in this one though, King. I know you're better than that. You know your worth. AMZ. Did Trigger Man leave? I think I triggered him. Amazon. Oh, you want Amazon? Bro, come on, man. You should have told me. I love Amazon. Honestly, it's over the 13th on 4 hour. The 113. The 113. Let me peep. Let me go back. The 13. I don't use the EMAs really. I only use the 200 because that's like pretty significant. The other ones, I see a jump. Yeah, I see a jump. It can come back up to like 250. I think it looks good. It got above this like support or resistance. My English sucks, by the way. That's why when I say support, I mean resistance. It doesn't look bad, but I just don't think they'll let it cross like 250, 270, like this range here. Yeah, like 250 is like just psychologically something they'll probably pin it. Especially, well, I'm gonna shut up because it might pop, you know. Let me look at the short interest on this. Let me peep this up real quick for you. I haven't even got anything done. I'm supposed to go live at. I'm supposed to do something with a homie later. I see a jump. Yeah, I think you see a jump. I see a jump too. Or you mean a jump ship? What do you mean? You see a jump or you see a ship jump? 3.2%. Yeah, no, they're gonna short this bad boy, I think. You don't have to short her. Yeah, and it's coming down for some reason. Like just last week, it was the short interest was higher. Now it's coming down. This is the same thing me and the POLESTAR guys are facing over there at POLESTAR. Same thing we're facing over there. I think, but see the thing, the difference between Lordstown and POLESTAR is POLESTAR is actually a good stock. Like it's a good company. It's not a good stock. It's a good company. But yeah, a lot of the SPACs, what they did is just ooh, Snapchat. They just a lot of the SPACs, they just like diluted a whole bunch of shares. Like when you take a look at the presentation, they break down all the shares and stuff, and you see like the SPAC, which is the one that you're buying, it's only like 15% of the entire company, so it's heavily diluted, like massive, you know. So like it was just a pump and dump kind of stuff, you know. But POLESTAR is still a good company, but you just paid a lot for it, you know. That's why like after I started like just looking at stuff more, like I feel like during the market crash, if POLESTAR comes down to 5 or 6, which I think it might at some point, then you know I'll pick up some shares because the valuation would probably be more important, you know. If it comes down, you know, you never know. It might never come down. Like DCFC, this one's like, I never thought it would come down under, you know, $7, and it's down here, you know. And I think that was a good stock. Their revenue's not awesome, but it's a good company. But you know, just because something's a good company doesn't mean it's gonna perform good in the stock market, you know. And even maybe at this price, it's a little overvalued, you know. Let me look at the market cap. 821 million, right? And it's bringing in about 30 million. So that's like, let me look at just the last 3 quarters. It's bringing in about, let's just say 3 times 4. So 120 million divided by 821. So it's trading like, trading like, was it 821 divided by 120? Like a 6 price to sales ratio. So it's finally like coming down to more like realistic valuation. So like when people were buying it at 10, people were paying way more for this one, right? I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm blabbering on. I need to get focused. Who else want? Oh, Amazon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like Amazon. I got crushed on it, so I kind of have that, you know, bittersweet feeling. Let's go ahead and mark this gap fill up here. You can go ahead and do this whole thing up here. I want the money. You guys think we fill this gap? I think what's gonna happen with Amazon, we're gonna get a nice little pullback, which could be down to like 120. Are we already at 120? I think we'll get a little pullback down at 120. Like 120, and then we could potentially go up this gap fill, which is like 130. But the thing with Amazon is we have earnings on it like in a week, actually 1 week from today. So a lot of this stuff can change, like technicals or whatever, and my technicals aren't great, by the way. The technicals can change, like it doesn't matter, or earnings can change the pattern regardless, right? Because this, look at Snapchat, right? We have the gap fill up here. Oh, we're gonna fill the gap, and guess where we're at now? We're down here, right? So a lot of people thought about that gap fill. So that's the thing, like if there wasn't an earnings next week, I would say Amazon still looks strong, you know. And honestly, I'm a dumbass for holding my puts after it like started breaking out of here. I held my puts, so I should have cut them after this right here, this level here. But I held my puts. Yeah, I got crushed. I'm an idiot. you know. But I say it in public because maybe you guys can pick something up from what I, from my lessons. What was I talking about? Yeah, so the technicals don't matter for earnings because look at Snapchat. I was like, everybody was hype on this gap fill here. Oh, no, nah, bro, we on the gap fill, we're gonna fill it, bro. No, come on, bro, but the gap fill. And then now we're down here at like $10. Like, come on now, you know better than this. No, I don't even know. I'm not gonna say you guys know better. I'm just trolling, but I'm just trying to give you an example. Like, a lot of people were saying gap fill, and man, usually those are the ones that get you, you know. Here's another example of the gap fill. Gap fill, this right here. This was a gap fill on Facebook a long time ago. And dude, we came up to this thing, and I got calls. Like, I got calls at this level here. I was like, oh, GG, this is gonna be a gap fill all the way to the top, and we got rejected. I got another example for you. This one I didn't play. I actually learned my lesson from Facebook. There was a gap fill right here, boy. Gap fill right here. This is Fastly, by the way. I learned my lesson here. We came up to the top and we got rejected. I took profits, but yeah, I was like, oh no, bro, we got a gap fill. Actually, I think I made a video on this. If you guys go back, this is on the daily. We have gap fills here, and so not all gap fills get filled at that time, you know. So just be careful. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So call me, Mr. Damn. He ain't copping that, is he? Let me go back to Amazon though. Amazon is just weird because of earnings next week. So I think in the short term it could be bullish, but don't be fooled by the gap fill. Hey, my man June said check out HCA. Yeah, I think you did tell me. Yeah, I got you, King. Let me wrap this one up, and we can look at the flow for this. I can't believe June is still in here. I appreciate you still holding in the live stream, bro. You're a real one. You're a real one. Anyway, I think maybe 128 is in the books, but the indexes are down right now. So I'm thinking 120, which I actually got to put for Amazon for tomorrow. I don't know if that's going to print or not. Hopefully it does. Rejection here, 120. If we hold 120, we coming back up to 128, baby, I think. If not, we come in all the way back down to 116, like $4. The OBB does look good though. So OBB, it doesn't lie much. Sometimes it does, but it's like it's a love-hate relationship, I think. Like sometimes she be leading me on. She tells me the truth. Sometimes she doesn't. But okay, so the way you do the OBB is like at this price range, our OBB was trading here. Now we're back at this price range, but our OBB already broke out. So that's a bullish indicator for me personally, which I should be reading this stuff, but my English is my second language, so my reading is my second language too, Let me go and check up. Oh, so yeah, bullish on Amazon, probably retouch this 120, I think, just psychologically, I gotta play it safe with my predictions here. So let's get that prediction there and then come back up. How about that? Let's do that. And then as far as the flow, let me do flow, and then we'll take a look at HCA. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you guys can hear the yes, sir, put it down in the chat. Put it down in the chat and say yes, sir, with me. Oof, what's going on? The puts. People are pulling in puts. So towards the end, I think it got bearish. A lot of people got bearish. Ooh. Which is, this could be related to earnings too. You know what I'm saying? Or that 120 level. People may be trying to get that 120 level. Puts down at the end of the day, 200K, 140K. Just kind of more puts at the end, honestly. Short term though, for next week, they got the 128s, the 124, which is the 128s what I was talking about too. Interesting. And then the 124 puts. I guess short term there's more calls. There's the 125s and the 125s and the 128 calls for next week is what people are looking at so far. To the downside on the midterm, longer term for like August 19, it looks like there's more puts. The 124 puts, the 110 puts are interesting. Those are the ones I had. I actually cut those because I had to, not because I wanted to, but I needed the funds. I needed some dry powder. Everything else is like super early when the market was green, so I wouldn't really look at that anymore. Short term, this is like 1 hour and a half before close. People started getting puts on Amazon. So short term, I think, yeah, and especially with the indexes, I think we pull back. Yes, sir. I guess nobody got the yes, sir. Nobody can hear the yes, sir. Nobody put it in the chat. Jeez, okay then. I see you. HCA. everybody dipped, I guess. I'm going to still do HCA from the homie June. This is actually a good chart, I think. It looks good, right? I think it looked like it was consolidating here, and then it kind of, yeah, it broke out. Let me do this real quick. Do that real quick. Yeah, see? Hey, look at that. It broke out, did this little wedge thing. Then it broke out to about that level. Interesting. Just a little bit of that TA, you know what I'm saying? Just, Papa still got it. Nah. Hey, we have a gap up here, though. Keep that gap right here. Here we go. We got a little gap right there. I got it. Sometimes I gotta do that because it don't. So what do you guys think? What are you guys thinking about this? The calls are decent. The calls are decent. Oh, you got the flow? Damn, my man's got the flow. Let me pull up the earnings are Friday. This Friday? Like tomorrow Friday or next Friday? Oh, it's right here. Tomorrow. Yeah, that's the thing though. Like I was saying earlier, like the earnings, like sometimes the technicals don't help with the earnings. The one thing that does help some of the technicals sometimes is sometimes the OBV kind of helps me sometimes. Like for example, Netflix. I don't know, you guys probably checked that out on the last live stream, but I really saw like OBV was like leading and stuff. Like it was leading. Like this is the OBV, by the way. Like it was leading, but the stock wasn't going yet. Right, so this was divergence. So I kind of expected a breakout. You guys can go back to the live stream, one of the older live streams for Netflix. I think I've talked about that. Let's do HCA though. So sometimes the OBV can help lead. So it kind of looks bearish, I would say. Maybe a retracement. This is on the 4-hour. So for the divergence, let me see. I might be wrong though. So the divergence is coming down while the chart's coming down. So that makes sense. And now it's going back up as the price is going back up. Where's this level at? This level here. Don't think about it too much. So the OBV is back here. It's pretty much linear, I think. What is HCA though? I think the healthcare should do good though. Is this like a boomer stock? It's a healthcare services company engaged in hospital freestanding surgery. So let me see. Do people get hurt a lot during Q2? This is a Monster Healthcare. Oh, is it? Let me peep some of the financials. Let me go over here to one of my handy dandy websites. Doku. HCA Healthcare, nation's leading providers, healthcare services, 50 billion market cap. It's got a nice little float there, 295 million. All the analysts, which I don't really listen to analysts and stuff, but they say maintain and hold. 14 billion is good. Yeah, this is a good, decent cash. 58 billion. Yeah, this is a good company. One of the largest hospital networks in the US. Yeah, let me look at the expected move for it though. Let me look at the expected move for it. Expected move is 9%. Ooh, nice. Hey, you probably onto something, June. Here. What was it? 9% what? Don't think of 9.7. Okay. What? Let me see. 181. Oh, I gotta do the 1 minus, oops. 1 minus 97. Oh wait. 97. Okay, times 181. This is to the downside, so 161. So yeah, kind of down here. So 163 is like the expected downside. Now let's do 181. 31 times 1.097. 200. Jeez. So who's got the $200 calls? Because somebody might be printing tomorrow. Yes, sir. Somebody might be printing. So the downside was to 163, it looked like, which is like kind of down here. Which makes sense, right? Because that's where our support is. Done saying I'm done playing. Last time was on the outro. 200 is the upside. Where's the upside? 200? 186. Oof, this thing's going to be gas, which is up here. I think you're going to be good June, are you in this tomorrow? I think it's gonna be good. It looks good. I don't know the company too much, but yeah, I like it actually. It might be, and honestly, if it's like a boomer's like boomer, I don't know. This thing's just been beat down. Let me look at some of the large. Yeah, this thing's been beat down. 185 seems like a strong support or resistance here. 185. Yeah. The calls expire 8/19. Oh, you're chilling then. I just hope it doesn't gap down for you, bro. I think it's looking good though. What's the how much does it grow annually? Let me peep this real quick. HCA Healthcare. Look at the analyst. Last time, 2%. So it's not like it doesn't grow that much. I think it's done growing, right? It's just a good company. Is what you're saying? Yeah, it's just a good company. Current quarter, they expect estimates of around $3 per share. Revenue 14 billion. Yeah, I think they're chilling. I think this is a good play. Snapchat oversold. So June, I think you're chilling. I want to know. I would say you're good, but don't quote me on that. I think what happens is if it does move that 9%, it goes up here, and then it comes back down to fill the gap down here, and then it keeps going. I don't know. I think if it can get back over 200 though, it's nice. It'd be real nice. I wish you good luck on this one though. I think it does look good. It broke out, so this is bullish. It's like, you know, change of a trend, pivoting, you know, you feel me? Like pivoting. So now it's just steady market. I mean, honestly, and don't even worry about the market because this got earnings. So if it's a good, even if the market's crap, it's still, if it does good earnings, it should go up. Yes, sir. Does it usually beat earnings though? Let me peep the earnings. This is for what, June? Look at their June earnings. What's this? December? October? It usually beats earnings here. It beat by 38%, beat by 6%. It usually beats. Most recently it's been missing though. Like, what's up with this? Does it move down after earnings though? Let's see. Let's see. This was in the morning. $200 call is just $1.70. Yeah, but the earnings is tomorrow, so like it's GG for me tomorrow. Like I can't get in. The move is done. Like if you in it already, you in it. You know, the boat sailed, and my ticket. I just got cash, but I can't get a ticket. Yes, sir. June, are you in this one, June? Or are you thinking about it? You could also do a post earnings play too, right? So after earnings, right? Whether it goes to the top or if it goes down to the bottom. If it goes to the bottom, my guy, you got some downside you can play. Probably down to like 152, 155. Even like 160. If it comes down to 165, 160, wait. The expected move is 163, right? So you could still play this down to 160. Where's it at? 160? Yeah, no, this is that hot shit. Yes, sir. So I think this one would be a nice, interesting post-earnings play anyway. Let me look at the IV crush real quick for you. Where's that at? Oh, Market Chameleon. Yes, sir. If you guys are watching still, I appreciate you guys thinking about it. It is a monthly. Oh, yeah. You got a whole month, my guy. What's the average move on this, though? Usually it moves about $4. That's actually not bad. Is that normal for this to move $4 on average? I'm looking at the IV real quick. High IV, so you're paying a lot of premium for your calls right now. But looking at IV crush. IV crush isn't terrible. It's only got like a 9% IV crush. So that's not bad. IV on his, like, current IV is like 40, 43. Historically, on average, is like, what, like 30, 35, about 32. So you'll get a little bit of IV crush, but after the IV crush, you can get puts or calls, and you won't be paying so much for your premium. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, thank you guys for sticking around. Now let's get to business. NASCAR, what's up? VRX, $5 pre-IPO to 20. Just another day in the office, man. Just another day in the office. Quick $300 scalp. Damn. Hey, one day I'm gonna get like you though, for real. You know the pump and dumps. I need to get to that level. But nah, morally I just couldn't do it, you know, because it just ain't morally right, you know. It did sell off though, but you got in at $5 down here and you ran it up, you dumped it, and now we got bag holders. Sheesh, another day in the office, my guy. How you doing though? How's everything else? How's the wife? Whoosh. Damn. So you think this continues or no? Is this one done, NASCAR? What's going on here? Talk to me. You gotta be honest with me. Should I buy in down here or no? Is it GG or should I? Or we got another leg coming? It's just me and Pusha here. Kill your man. Have you guys? Well, oh my bad. I didn't mean to say that out loud. Oh, shit. Okay, so now that we got out all the questions, people, let's peep some of the flow that I really wanted to get into because I got a meeting here and maybe they be on my nerves. You guys heard that hot shit by Cardi B? Kanye West, bro, he snapped. Let me. Amazon's definitely a one for show. For show. But we got the list. Should I write down the list? Let me see what I can do. All right, we're gonna just run down the $32 sweeper. This one's one of my favorite. We're gonna do pins. Let's see if we can find anything on pins, because pins has that sympathy. Remember, there's bullish calls on pins. Okay, let's look at the chart for pins. Pins and Etsy were actually ones that I was interested in. Etsy, like, I think I called Etsy on Twitter. I thought it was, and pins looks good. Obviously, it dumped. Tomorrow, guys, I would look at pins. Potential gap fill down here. Now, I know not always it fills, so just be careful. But for sure, this one's got the pins. Morally, you can't invest in stocks that pump. Oh, no, I didn't mean it like that. I ain't got the heart for it, you know. You gotta have heart. I like trading options though, you know what I'm saying? So, damn, I don't get why you feel that way. Oh, did I say something? Morally, you can't invest in stock. No, I meant like IPOs. I feel like okay. Let me see if I can get my words straight. I think like there's just been a perception of, like, I have a perception of like just look at SPACs, for example, like Ride, for example. There's a whole bunch of people that got in this thing like way before it became public, right? There's people that got, you know, when it debuted at $10, there were people that, you know, hype investors, whatever, they paid like $2, $3, right? So people are already in here. So when they start trading, they've already, you know, 3x their money, right? So there's like, I don't know what this looks like. I'm gonna cut that off. There's like just a perception that like pipe investors, you know, they got a bad reputation, you know, like, you know, hedge funds, like pipe investors. So I don't want to do that kind of stuff, you know. But it definitely, because it definitely makes money. It's just like, it just has a bad reputation, you know. No, let me take that back. I don't want to insult you or anything. I think like, for me, like, I don't know. I don't like that perception of like, fuck, I don't know how to talk. How do I say it? Help me out here, NASCAR. You know what I'm saying. I just don't want to get in here at $3. No, I would, right? But I just feel bad for the people that I scam, basically. Well, I'm not saying you're scamming anything. I'm just saying, like, the idea, you know, how people would perceive this. Like, it's just kind of like, I wouldn't say, I just like to trade, like, normal shit, you know? I don't know. Damn, you probably got mad at me for that one. I don't know, I'm trying to be clear. I'm trying to be transparent. I don't know. Don't get mad at me, man. Hey, what up, Saul? Hey, what's up, Saul? Hit the like button for me. I think I'm gonna get some dislikes for that last comment. I just don't know how to explain myself. What was I talking about? Pins? Yeah, let's talk. You feel me, NASCAR? We on good terms, bro. We on good terms. You know what I'm trying to say. Tomorrow, though, pins, definitely look for this gap fill. I think it'd be interesting. It's at $19. The gap fill is all the way down to it's only 50 cents, but still, it's a gap fill. And usually gap fills are bearish, so if you fill the gap down, you usually tend to, you know, fall down. So I would actually look for the lows of 17. So like, for example, when you do a gap up, when you fill a gap to the upside, then it's usually like a bullish thing. So for example, I don't know, I don't have an example off the top of my head. Yeah, my man got mad at me. Come on, NASCAR, don't be mad at me. Saul, help me out here. I think it's not, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Pins though, this is gonna be the one to watch tomorrow. Let me look at some interesting flow. Sectors were green, money green. I think the flow is going to be very deceiving today. I think a lot of flow is going to be very bullish, and then the snap news. Yeah, it's not my thing. Yes, sir. That's what I meant. But no, I mean, money's money. You know, you got to make money somehow. Everybody's got to eat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody's got to eat. I mean, you got to eat. You got to worry about yourself first, I guess. No, you're right. You're doing it right. You're doing it right. You're doing it right. I take what I said back. It's not for me, dog. I feel you, though. I feel you, though. Oh, look at this, guys. $20 puts for next week. People getting in here cheap. These days, I don't talk about them days like I miss them. There's a lot of bearish stuff coming in here for pins, my guy. So, yeah, pins is definitely going to be one. Pins. I'll probably try to timestamp this later. So this is on the 32G filter. You guys already know. So 32 days, big money here. When I say big money, I'm talking about like 17K and all that. Not huge money, but yeah, just overall bearish flow. What's excuse me? What's crazy though is there's like 56% bullish for some reason. What's going on with that? Maybe it's like smaller orders. Or maybe it's like longer dated time. Let's look at the overall interest trade stuff for this pins. I think a lot of people were trying to hedge for like a sympathy play for Snapchat, but that got crushed. Where is Gamma at? Yeah, see the Gamma came down. Gamma was coming down even though the price was sideways and even though the COPE was following up. Gamma is pretty important. It was coming down. See, when Gamma comes down, that means price is coming down. You see how the Gamma's been coming down? Price is probably going to come down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then there's like this $20 put for $7.19. Kind of sad I won't see my pup from training school till next month. Good thing I got the GGG Invest to show to keep me company. Yeah, dude. Hey, you can hop on if you want. Are you in the Discord right now? I need that solid DD, that tinfoil hat DD though. Is you with me or what? Drake. I've been listening to a lot of Drake, man. Maybe because, you know, I've been going through some things right now, y'all. Sad, you know? Nah, I'm kidding. I'm interested on these $20 puts. A lot of people were buying them, and they're safe. They're only like 62 cents. I might have to give me some of these tomorrow, honestly. They're the first ones, I think. They're the ones up here. 3K open interest. And then everything else was kind of down the middle. Oh, these are bullish. Open interest for 2022. These are probably fried. The 2022, the 722 $22 calls. They're pretty much fried. Just back holders, I think. Or we could have a good day tomorrow. I like these, the 1950s, the 20s. I'm going to be leaning towards bearishness tomorrow. Hey, June is still in here. I appreciate you still. Hey, bro, you usually dip on the first like 5 minutes, so I appreciate you hanging out. Yes, sir. Just wanted to mention Zella is gaining traction. Oh, shit. Okay, so you guys know what to do with pin. Watch for this gap fill. I got you 1 second. I'm going to type this up. You guys know G got you. Got you like that. How is the... Yeah, we got you. I got you. Let me look on this. Oof. Let's look at this real quick. I haven't even charted nothing up on this bad boy. Yes, sir. And honestly, this could also be a partial gap fill. But this might already be filled at the end. But I'm just saying it could basically be a partial gap fill to where it doesn't fill completely down here. Bounces and then maybe goes back up. News about it. Alright, let me just quickly chart this bad boy real quick. Slap on some resistance and some supports. Where do y'all want the support and resistance at? Y'all want it up here? Right there. Yeah, like they not letting her get out of this range right here for some reason. This still could be bullish though, you guys. You know, it could still be bullish. You know, comes down and then it breaks out eventually. Because I think there's news about this possibly being bought out or a stake or something. But I would definitely be watching this gap fill. It might be too late, honestly, because by the time the market opens, it might already have it. It could also be like a gap. So it opens down here and then it just gaps up. So it could be a bullish move. So like by the time market opens, it could be already like near $18.50. And then as soon as it opens, it starts moving up. It could be like that, or it could go down. I know that doesn't really help much, but just kind of watch the trend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's pretty much useless, I guess. I didn't really help there. But what I was saying, with the flow was leaning bearish. So, you know, take that with it and run with it. Let me, my man said Zella. All right, so that's the first one. I got a few others that I want to look at. We're going to look at Zella real quick. So I got pins jotted down. Netflix is going to be interesting, and Google is going to be interesting. If you guys want me to cover those two, let me know. And there's a few others I had in mind. Oh, Verizon. But, you know, my man, who was it? Who was it that said Verizon was expensive? Somebody said I ain't got money. Because I felt that. Let me see. Oh, that was Greg. He said it on the Discord. He dipped already, though. Zella. What is this? Technology company. Strong, neutral, engages transaction process. Oh, this is a money transaction, or what is this? This is like a bank. Follow section. Let me just click on the link. exelaunch.com. If you guys want me to cover the other ones, news going around about partial acquisition. Their website doesn't work. Or is it my computer? I got a potato computer. Just like sitting there, doesn't ever do anything. I think their website's down, so they might be getting acquired. Their website's not working. Let me see if everything else works. Yeah, everything else works, but their website's down for some reason. It's like DocuSign? Oh, shit. You know, DocuSign was like very competitive, had a very competitive edge, and then, yeah, dude, hey, look, their website's not launching. Maybe they're taking it down. Ain't that weird? Maybe they are getting acquired. Weird. It's not my computer. I mean, I have a pretty shitty computer, but everything else is loading. Like, I don't know why that one loads. See, this thing is loading. But this thing's not loading for some reason. Maybe it's not their website anymore. Let me double check. Exela Technologies. Go to their website. Yeah, I think their website's down. That's weird, bro. They're like DocuSign. I liked DocuSign back then. Like 2018, I liked it. Please short UVXY. Why? Isn't it bullish? I thought UVXY was bullish. It is bullish, I think. I like UXVY. Is this one only 15 cents? June? Is this the right one? I wonder what the revenue is. What's the revenue? 283 million. What's DocuSign's revenue? 500? Wow. What's the share float on this? 196? What's the share count on this? Wow, they're making about the same amount of revenue. This thing is shorted. Was this a SPAC or something? I mean, they're making half the revenue. It's opening up on my end. Oh shit. It might be my computer then. I got that busted ass computer. I was just curious to see what they did. I don't need to check their website out. I'm gonna clear this chart real quick. Obviously, I've seen this one before because I've had charts on it. We're gonna do 4 hour because everything else looks kind of choppy. There's not enough meat on that bone, you know. He said, "Yeah, it is my computer." Damn, he's roasting my computer, dog. Should we be shorting the VIX, guys? Should we be shorting the VIX? Let me see. People are talking about a red market tomorrow. We have 11 votes. 64% of them think we're gonna be red tomorrow. What's the future looking like? The future ripping? Oh, they're coming down a little bit. Zella doesn't look bad though. I think it's got that room up to what, like 20 cents, which is a lot for this. It's like 30%. Am I right? It looks like it just broke out. But antes de morirme. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It still seems like it's holding the support. It might be breaking out. It's getting that traction like June said. Yeah. What's the volume on this? 375 million? You said there's people trying to buy this out too, right? Amen. Amen. This is on the 1 hour. We can do 4 hour though. Yeah, it looks like it might be trying to break out at like 16. Go back up to the highs, 18, maybe 20. Yes, sir. Let me see if there's any contracts. Does this one have options or no? I don't think it has options, does it? Does this one have options? I don't know if it has options. We can definitely check though. Let me look. I don't think this one has options because it's like under $1. Nah. Does it? Oh, it does have options. $2 options. There's a lot of volume on these $1 for July. It has high debt, so partial acquisition would drive this up. Oh, okay. There's a lot of volume on these $1 for August 19. Did I have a nice move today or no? No, I had some sideways movement today. What's the daily looking like? Let me just peep the. I would look for this breakout possibly, or maybe it comes back down to 15, and then I will maybe get puts or calls. Cause yeah, I would be watching this support here. If it breaks underneath, then you could probably do puts, or I don't know. Do you short stocks or do you just, I don't know what you do here. It is, but worth it. But no, oh, not worth it. Okay, it does have it. I just added it to my watch list. I'm gonna be watching it. Just keep that bitch on idle, you know. All right, so what I'm gonna do now. The homie says we should short the VIX. I think the VIX is getting ready to do another run to the top. But like I said, I'm always wrong. I think, yeah, see, it came back up. I think it's almost time to. My man says short the VIX. That means we need to buy the VIX. Yeah, I think we need to start buying the VIX, guys. You guys gotta buy up the VIX. We could come back up to like $13, $14. What do you guys think? VIX, usually when it comes down to these levels, then it starts ripping. Right? When it comes down to these levels, it starts ripping. Even to this, it starts ripping. I think it's time for some calls on UVXY, baby. I'm just telling you. Shares would be ideal. Yep, I think so too. And definitely, Saul said to short the VIX. He wants to short the VIX at the bottom. Come on, man. He's in the Discord, by the way. He likes to short the VIX and hold AMC. I like VIX though. I'm gonna see how it reacts here. I mean, obviously it looks like it's running back up after hours, but I think next week will be important for it, and we could come back up to $14 maybe. I like it though. I like the VIX. He's set to short it though, and honestly, this kind of looks like a wedge, like it's wedging a little bit, like the little wedgie. Yeah. I don't know if it's actually wedging or not. Where would it be? Where would it go? Where would this one go? Something like that. It looks like it's coming, like falls a little breakdown. If they can get back up over 12, hold above over 12, then it'll probably come back up, I think. I don't know, I think. Actually, this could come down just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it looks good. Let me extend that. I like the VIX. I like the VIX. I like the VIX. Thank you, June. Thank you, Saul, for that. So I didn't even give you guys any information on what Netflix is. What I want to do. Netflix, I think it's going to be interesting. We got rejected here at the top. See, we have that gap fill. This is another one that could be like that. It fills, but it doesn't fill the gap. Like a lot of people get trapped by the gap fill. Oh, we're going to fill the gap, and then we get rejected. So I'm looking for like I'm looking for puts down to like 106. Or yeah, 106. Just depending on how we react here at like 226 if we can get to that level. If the futures just stay red, I'll just probably get puts and see it come down. Because the earnings weren't great. The earnings weren't good. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm just going to go and shift over to flow for Netflix, see what's going on in Netflix. 5,000. We need more on this, actually. Let's do 25. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So selling calls, maybe taking profits. A lot of selling calls. Still buying calls, actually. There's a lot of bearish flow at the end. Like just selling the calls, the 230 calls, the 225 calls. Then they're buying calls. These are part of spreads. Let me see. These are for August though, so these have a little bit more time. So I would just probably add these on the watch list for like down the road. But for now, and they're actually not even like at the full ask. So you see the spread 555, 570. It's kind of in the middle. So these could be part of like selling these at the top. Retail will buy UVXY shares in the chase of the drawdown. Short volatility and prosper. What? Damn, you think so? So actually, after looking at all the flow, actually all of these, the spreads in the middle, like, oh no, this is at the ask. These are kind of in the middle. This is at the ask. This is at the ask. These are in the middle. So most of these are in, this one's got the tight spread. So it's just a 1 cent spread. So this one is bullish, obviously, but I see a lot of profit taking is what I would say. Profit taking here. These have, well, it's got a lot of volume. So I would see how these open up tomorrow. This is short term though. This is short term. So it looks like probably short term profit taking. And then maybe midterm bullishness. What's the other flow out here? Everything else is really just, honestly, it feels like a lot of profit taking. Because it had a pretty good day, didn't it? Today? Another 3%. Yeah, just a lot of calls. So not necessarily bearish, but just, I think, profit taking, I think. Let me take a look at the... So one thing I like to do on unusual whales is go to flow history, go into 1 month just to get an idea. I take off the volume and the bullish and the bearish, or the call and put volume. I use the put bullish premium just to get an idea what's going on. Oh, here it is. Cut this off. So bearish premium is coming down. Bullish premium is coming down. Usually when the bullish premium comes down, it still goes up. That doesn't really help us in this case. Where's the open interest? The open interest is at the highest right now, which is just means there's a lot of money going in right now. I guess it's really just 50-50. It could just continue going up. Yeah, because the COPE and the gamma is still going up. So let me go back to the chart. Yeah, we could definitely go up to this, what, 245 maybe at the top. I don't know if we fill the gap, but okay, so red indexes I would look to play down to 206. Maybe there's a pullback. Even like 212 would be an interesting level to watch here. So I'd watch that. Then depending how we react there, we could come back up and retouch the higher level here. Well, why did I undo all that? I didn't mean to undo that. Just take off this. Yes, sir. I like Netflix. You know what this also reminds me of? This kind of looks like a double bottom. So we could definitely maybe hit this 246. What do you guys think? Let me see if you guys see that. It's kind of like a weird double bottom. But usually double bottoms are W's, George W's. So it could continue going up here and then it rejects, comes back here, and then it maybe breaks out. Because I think people want that summer rally, right? People still want that summer rally. This thing could continue. I don't know. But there is a lot of profit taking, I think, what it looks like. And then it looks like maybe it calmed down, like just what's the word, like some sideways action, maybe, like maybe some consolidation, still in an uptrend, but maybe some sideways consolidation, and then getting that double bottom and then coming down. Man, I'm a mess right now. Yeah, I'm a mess. Let me go to the full analyst of this. What's the bullish activity here? Obviously the futures are red, so definitely use that to your advantage. And this one already had its earnings, so there's like nothing to look forward to. Everything's down the middle, guys, on this one. But you can still trade it. It's just hard to tell from the flow what to do with it. There's still a lot of puts being sold. This is bullish, but this is for next year. What are they doing with this? Buying. Why are they buying such high? They're expecting this to be over $500 by next year. Isn't that crazy? This is a lot of money on here too. 6 million, 5 million, 5 million. They're selling a lot of puts, so they could be selling these for profits. We'll see this volume tomorrow, how this updates tomorrow. I'm gonna actually heart this for tomorrow, show the flow, just heart this trade so I can keep an eye on it, just to see how it updates. Close that out, close that out. And then they're buying, this is part of a spread, so they're buying 570, 590, selling the 60s. So what would that be? That would be a bearish order. I think this is a bearish order. That would be a bearish order. This is for next year. Pretty sure. No, that's a... Is that a bearish order or a bullish order? Let me see what I'm thinking here. Why did GameStop do a split yet? Why didn't it? I thought it was doing it tomorrow. I think it's doing it tomorrow. I'm going to write this down. I'm going to do this on my Robinhood account real quick, see what this is supposed to do. I think it's a debit spread. I'll put debit spread. Let me see. 1 second, people. I'm going to pull this up on my Robinhood account. Okay, this is for March 17, 2023. They are selling the 600. That's a lot of... I don't know what this is, bro. Why do people do this so far out the money stuff? 600 they're selling, and then they're buying 590. Let's just do 590. It's a put credit spread, so that is that's a bullish. Yeah, that's a bullish order, right? Yeah, that's a bullish order. Oh shoot, that's a lot of bullish. Yeah, it's bullish here too. Okay. Yeah, Netflix will be on watch. A lot of Cope, a lot of Gamma. Could continue, but I don't want to get trapped. I don't want to be like the bag holder up here, so I'm going to see how it reacts with the market. The levels that I'll be watching for this... Oh shit, I gotta get off soon because I got the homie joining me soon. Yeah, these are some of the levels I'll be watching. The 206, the 212, and honestly really just back up to like 228 up here. 227, 228. That's pretty much the levels I'm watching here. The flow is down 50-50. I thought I would be a lot clearer, but it's not. It's just fuzzy. Google will be interesting, though. Google. This is the other one I'm going to watch. Where's it at right now? Doesn't have any aftermarket app. Google. Where you at? What's the after hours on Google right now? Google up after hours? 112. It's at 112 right now. It's down here. So initially I thought Google was in a bear flag. This is like a kind of a bear flag. I'm going to post that up real quick. What do you think, Saul? Is this a bear flag? Oh, my man wants me to talk about GME. Fuck, I didn't mean to diss you, bro. Why did GME not do the stock split? They did do the stock split. They're doing it tomorrow. You want to hop on the VGC or the VC? They have earnings next week. I thought this was a bear flag here. The bear flag, and so you got 1, 2, 3. Basically, a bear flag is a bearish pattern. But once we break this ascending support, you break down, retest, and then break down. And this would be actually like all the way down to like this level down here, which is kind of down here, I guess. I would actually say more like here, like 85. Hop on. I gotta get off soon, but I'll let you hop on for a little bit. Should I get Trippy on here for a little bit? Let me hop on real quick. Alright. I'm in here, Trippy. What's up? I'm in here. You say you want to talk. What are you thinking about GME, man? Come on. I'm Jim Gramer now. Hello?
Jim who?
I'm Jim Gramer, bro. Because everything I've been saying has been doing the opposite, bro. Jim Gramer.
In a good way, correct?
No, in the bad way. I've been taking
Oh,
L's.
no.
Yeah, your boy's gonna be homeless soon. Nah, I'm kidding. I
got you, brother. When AMC squeezes, I got you.
Oh, appreciate you, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hey, what did you want to talk some DD? We're talking about Snapchat missing earnings, bro. What happened there? Come on. I think that has something to do with the apes, bro.
Missing who? Wait, what earnings?
Snapchat missed earnings, bro.
Oh, yeah. Do you think it has something to do with the meme stocks?
No, I was just guessing. I thought maybe.
Nah. Snapchat is dead. Like the moment that they gave surrender to the government to allow them to spy on us, that's when they lost it all.
I was gonna say the moment TikTok came out. I think that's when TikTok didn't get banned. I think that's when Snapchat was dead.
That is true. Snapchat would have been fine if they just didn't come out with these ridiculous new policies they want to implement.
Oh, I was talking about just TikTok. If they weren't like allowed to be installed or downloadable on US, then Snapchat would still be having growth, having like good revenues. But the reason Snapchat fell was because of the revenue, like the ad people. Like a lot of companies are cutting back on ads, so they can't really promote their stuff. You feel me?
Yeah.
What's up? You smoking or something? Why are you going mute?
I'm just watching the live stream.
Oh shit! How's it sound? How's it looking?
I think all right.
I mean, we were killing it. We had a nice little crowd earlier. We had June, we had Saul, we had NASCAR, we had Triggerman. He was in here. We had Edwards. I appreciate Edwards. He was asking some good questions. Joe. We had some more Jabro. We had Jabrail. My bad. Damn, I suck. William S. He said puts on Twitter. What do you think about Twitter? Puts on Twitter. And then Michael Anthony. And we had June again. June was in early today too. She was in here early. She's always in here. And we had Greg. in here. But June was in here like way early, bro. He stayed for the late show too. What's up though? What do you think about Twitter? Is it done? We have earnings tomorrow.
It's tough. I haven't been watching anything besides GME and Amy. But I will tell you what my mind tells me, and my mind doesn't fail me. Let me see. Let me go into the meditation state real quick.
Go into the medication and then pull up a chart. And then just put some facts for us if you can.
Yeah, one moment.
Gotcha. Hey, take your time. Take all the time you need. I want to see if I can find something for GameStop real quick. I think GameStop looks good though. I still like it. It actually already broke out. Just retesting support, and then it can keep going back up to these highs. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up this with Google. What do you guys think about Google? I was talking about Google being a bear flag. It still doesn't look bad though. My man's on the medication right now. The medication.
Yo, I'm back.
You back? You back?
I think GME 200 by the end of the month.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Damn, that's bold. Bold.
Yeah, she likes it bold.
It does?
Oh yeah. I see a falling wedge on Google.
You do? Where's that at?
Right there.
Here?
Yes.
I don't see it.
Huh. Oh
Maybe
no,
it's
that
your-
was on the other one. The other one you were talking about.
That was GME, bro. Come on.
No,
This
you were talking about I don't know, man.
Netflix.
Yeah, I think it was that one. Falling
This
wedge
one?
on Netflix.
Falling wedge on Netflix? Where?
You don't see
Oh,
it like how I do, huh?
No, is it this one?
Yeah, that one.
I did forget to put the resistance on the support on this. I don't know, bro. I think you smoking the wrong stuff today.
Oh man.
You think Google's gonna beat earnings? You think these companies are gonna beat earnings?
I don't think so. I do think indexes will make another rally though next week.
You think so?
I think they're just trying to burn everybody's calls out for this week, sadly.
Yeah. Or their puts.
Yeah. What do you think? What calls have gone to zero for you?
None. I had to cut them.
Or gonna go to zero?
I had to cut them before they went to zero. Oh, the DraftKings ones, I'm letting them go to zero.
Oh no.
Yeah, it happens though. You hate to see it, but it happens. So they have a lot of volume going for the 116 Googles today. I'm gonna just keep these in mind for tomorrow. They had about 20,000 volume, 10,000 open interest. I'm gonna watch these just to keep an eye on them tomorrow. What time do I gotta meet with this dude? Let me see. Pull up the thing. Let's see. 8:45. Oh shit! I gotta go, bro.
Oh, okay. What are y'all gonna do? Play poker?
No, I gotta do some DD. I gotta do some real DD. Like he's got this little boot camp thing that I gotta hop on, help him run it. Hey, what do you think about? What do you think about? What do you think about Google?
China?
No, Google.
Google. I'm bearish on Google.
You bearish on
Sorry.
Google?
I do believe it has room to go to 100.
Mm-hmm. Down 200. That's 15% from it. About 15%.
Oh yeah. Well, when Apple goes to $50 next week, you're gonna tell me, huh? That guy was right.
You think Apple's going to $50?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've seen the DD, brother.
Come on, brother. Show us the DD, brother. Hey, put it on the Discord. Let people join the Discord and they can see it for themselves. What do you think?
Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, put it on that trippy shit Discord channel.
I got you.
Appreciate you.
Apple to 50 to 60. My prediction.
Next week?
Oh yeah.
Oh no, you're gonna get smoked, bro. That's like.
You know what? I'll put the dough in where my mouth is as well.
Yeah, do that. I need.
And
Don't
I'll
be paper trading
share
now.
truth.
Don't be paper trading now. 50,
No, we don't do that here.
155 minus how much you said? 60? So 95. $95 divided by 155.
This
That
is
has
the
to go down
biggest
61%.
bull trap ever, right here.
You think so?
Oh,
I already got my puts, bro. You talking to the wrong one. I've been bearish.
all right, who do I need to shed the light to? June Galimba, NASCAR.
June Galimba's been alright with me. I don't know. What's it at after hours? What's Apple after hours? Let me peep the chart real quick on Apple. Let's see, what is that? 154? Honestly, if it gets back under 150, yeah, get your puts. What do you think? A lot of people were saying something about a wedge here.
I think if anybody wants to, I think everybody has until tomorrow at the end of the day to make their plays.
What do you mean?
Today's Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think if for these plays, you need to get the puts for them tomorrow.
And if you don't get them tomorrow?
Then you're gonna have to pay a lot, right?
Oh, because the IV's going up.
Yeah. You see what I see? Come on.
I see the vision. I see the vision. So you think Apple's done?
Apple once the big investors pull their dough from Apple, it's over. It's over, boys.
I see if it comes back underneath the 200 moving average, which is like 150, like I said.
This is why we're prepping. Why do you think I got that pup now?
142, baby. I see Apple 142. If it can get underneath
that's the start. That's the start of something, you know?
Yeah, okay, Michael Jackson. This right here is a really strong support, though. I don't know if it's gonna break back underneath it, though, King.
I'm gonna short it.
Honestly, this could be a bull trap right here, though, for Apple. This little day wick candle here, this could be a bull trap. It does look like this is a bullish candle. It's like a hammer candle. It's like a bullish candle, what people say.
Yeah.
But it could also be a bull trap. Like if it gets underneath the 200 moving average, then all the people up here that were buying calls and stuff, they got trapped. And then we come back down to 140 something.
Nevertheless, this is a good stock to talk about.
Oh, it is. Apple's a good stock to talk about. I like the support, but also the resistance, you know, resistance here, support here. And this is what I'm talking about. This little bull trap, it happened before.
Yeah.
It broke out of like 150. It caught a couple bulls, and then it flushed down back to like 140. 140, yeah. So that could definitely happen again.
I see a head and shoulders on Amy as well.
A head and shoulders?
Oh, yeah. She's gonna rip nasty.
Bro, a head and shoulders is a bearish pattern. What you mean?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, dog. Where's the head and shoulders at?
Somewhere around there.
Somewhere around there? Just gotta find it. Hey, what's up, OW Tat Tickles? Is that you, Trippies? Is that your backup account?
No.
Bro, you be having so many burner accounts. What's up, OW Trippy? Overshoot, then short. It sounds like it is you.
No, that's not me. I don't.
Overshoot and then short. I think
I don't affiliate myself with Tickles.
It doesn't? What do you think about this, Tickles? You think we go back down?
You don't see the head and shoulders? I see it right there.
Well, Tickles wants to talk about AMC, baby, or Apple. Do you want to talk about Apple, or you want to talk about AMC?
Let's talk about Apple, because
let's let him decide. Let's let him decide.
Let me tell you something. Apple is gonna be one of the nastiest plays next week. Mark my words. Okay.
What about Tesla though? Tesla's the best short play possible out there soon.
I don't think
it's time for it.
Man, it's the cult that follows Elon. They're not selling, dude.
They're not selling. They got their Teslas already.
They had good earnings as well, right?
Their earnings was not that good. I mean, it was good.
Okay, but
No, no,
Elon did say.
Netflix was the one that didn't have good earnings. Dude, Netflix earnings sucked. People pumping it. Like, come on. What do you think? Netflix earnings, they lost just 1 million subscribers.
I think people love the fact that Elon said that Tesla never sold Dogecoin.
Yeah. But they sold 75% of Bitcoin, though. So it's still crypto.
Oh yeah, you mean the one that's going to zero? Yeah, I'm
Is
good off
Doge not
that.
going to zero?
Oh no,
Is that really
not
the
if
new
it's
currency?
backed up by Elon. Come
I'm waiting
on
on
now.
Tickle, but he doesn't want to tell me if he wants to talk about. We've already covered Apple. Let me just look at the flow for Apple real quick. Hey, go ahead and plug in
Oh yeah,
the
I saw the flow for Apple. You're gonna be like, wow.
Did you sign up for Unusual Whales using the referral?
Yeah,
GGG?
I'm using that. I'm looking at it right now.
Damn. You're blessed, bro. There's a lot of bearishness on this, actually. So you're right. You're right.
Come on now.
Come on now.
You think I just pull this out of my ass or something?
Sometimes, bro, you be smoking something and it just be coming. It doesn't be adding up. Like, honestly. But I
Hey,
see a vision. I see
I've
the
had
vision.
almost 2 years in the market. I learned a thing or two
Mm-hmm.
from you.
Yes, sir. At the Triple G Discord. The
Oh
B-Pop
yeah,
syndicates. Yeah, we've been
yeah.
taking L's, but we learn from our mistakes. We don't take
I
that
have,
many L's.
I have not been taking L's. So if you want to join the Discord and follow my lead, go ahead.
You gotta, yeah, is it a free Discord though, or no?
Once my account hits 100K, I'm gonna start. Actually no, free forever. Free,
Free?
free,
Alright.
free forever.
Yeah, free game forever on the Triple G Discord. I didn't say that. Trippy said that. He's gonna be
Yo,
putting all his game on.
we're not gonna let greed get to us. Am I right, Tyler Wilson?
Oof.
Am I right,
You,
Matt Kors?
damn, you trolling right now, bro. I'm gonna shut up. I ain't part of that. I ain't affiliated with that.
Someone
I
tell
am
Tyler
affiliated with
Wilson.
I am affiliated with Unusual Wells though. If you guys want to use the link down below, 5% off every month. Money's money, especially with inflation, baby. Am I right, Trippy?
Don't forget to short UVXY.
Don't short UVXY, bro. You're gonna take an L with it. You think so, for real?
Oh,
This is the falling
yeah.
wedge. This is the falling wedge you were saying,
Come on,
bro.
man. I read it somewhere on Reddit.
Oh no, you did the Reddit, DD? Come on.
Look at it. Look at it.
It's a
Oh
falling
my
wedge.
gosh.
It's a bullish pattern, dog. Maybe one more dip.
No,
To like,
not until once the China. Look, every time there was news on China, this thing would tank. Come on now.
You got the DD? Look, it looks like a falling wedge.
Yeah, go back to March. Go back to March.
And then it's
Let's
gonna break
see.
out. It's gonna probably break out like end of July. Or next week. Next week it's gonna break out, it looks like. Next week. End of next week. Mid next week. Breakout. A lot of volatility next week. Am I right, guys? Put it in the chat below. Yes, sir.
Look
Yes,
at March.
sir.
Go to March.
March? March. What
see
comes
that?
first? April or March? Right here.
March.
I'm just trolling you, dude. I'm just making sure you weren't high. Yeah, I see
I know
it.
you see it.
Sold
You
off.
see it.
I see it.
Come on now.
I see the
Oh,
vision,
you
but
think I'm just guessing this? Come
yeah,
on.
but what happened in March?
It fell.
But what's gonna happen now?
I think it's gonna fall again.
Yeah, but why though? Like, what news is coming out of China?
They're gonna.
Hmm.
I can't curse in here, right? Can I curse in here?
Yeah, you can curse. Just keep it like.
They're just gonna fudge everything up for the market over here.
In the U.S. with the yen or what?
Yeah, but don't forget about the index pumps. I do believe we'll have a couple of those, but if it's all gonna be BS.
Which index pumps? Here's the SPY Futes. I actually liked the SPY Futes earlier. Oops. Where's the SPY
You know
Futes
what? I
now?
really can't say nothing until end of the day tomorrow to confirm my theory.
End of tomorrow. So y'all better join the Discord. What do you think, Trippy?
Yep.
Yeah, we got the trippy alerts right here. I already signed up for mine. I got my tickets for the trippy alerts. What were we talking about? UVXY? UVXY. I like it, dude. I think it's got maybe some more downside, but next week, I think it's breakout season.
Let's talk about it tomorrow, shall we?
Yeah. You're gonna put your, what is it? Your dough where your bread is?
Oh yeah, screenshot proof too.
Screenshot proof, paper trading account. You know
No. Cash account,
cash money, cash account, real green.
Oh yeah.
How's the AMC stuff though? You thinking we gonna keep pumping or is it done? You know what we need? We need to have a live chill session with Trippy. Just get in his mind, ask him questions. Which I want to do an interview with Trippy. That would be dope, wouldn't it? Just get inside the mind of Trippy on acid.
Yeah.
And get to the bottom of it. What do you think?
We could do it. We could do it Sunday or Wednesday.
Should I get the tux and everything, or just a casual? What do you think? Do I need to get like a liaison and take notes and minutes and stuff, or no?
I
just want to do it casual.
Casual. We don't have to suit up until the squeeze, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna meet in Florida though, right? With the whole
we'll be suited up. I'll take you to the titty bar here.
We're going to the titty bar. Can we go to the stock market bar too? For the apes?
Yeah.
We're gonna buy
we can meet up somewhere with the apes.
Yeah, we're gonna have to meet up with the apes, I think.
Maybe Adam Aaron might show up.
Your dad?
Adam Aaron?
Yeah, he's your daddy.
Yeah, the one who's gonna take me to the promised land.
He just wants $25 million donation, bro.
Hey, here's some crazy DD. I believe that AMC will announce a stock dividend when earnings come up.
Swear. You got insider knowledge?
Yes. On their last, I forgot which conference it was, but on their last one, he mentioned that a stock dividend wouldn't be
out of the picture?
Stock dividend, until June 2023. So when Adam Aaron talks about £1 on Twitter, could this be the pounds?
He's a snake, though.
Yeah, but I think he got his head out of his ass already, and he's ready to play.
So he's in it for the apes now?
I believe so.
Damn, we just got Burgess. Who is Burgess? Is Burgess still in the chat? Burgess, are you still in the live stream?
You know what, GG?
What's up? Talk to me.
Let me send that to you as well.
The DD? The split? Alright, make it quick. I only got like 7 minutes, people. If you got any ticker requests, put them down in the chat. Over that tickles, he said overshoot then short. And he knows what we're talking about. Short the market, right?
Yes.
Just buy your puts, people. It's been an insane rally. SPY, insane rally. Just waiting on the futes. I think, honestly, reality is starting to hit. Like, where shit is actually, like, bad. The economy is actually bad. Reality is starting to hit. Market's gonna start actually feeling it. Next week, we got big earnings. We got Powell speaking. We got... Shit's gonna hit the fan.
Get ready for that. 100 rate point thingy-mabob.
You think 100? Oh, yeah. I think so, too, bro. The way the market's been going right now, like...
Come on. And now you see why I'm saying Apple will tank? Come on.
GoPro, what's up? Hey, who's Hope? Is this your other backup account, Trippy? Come on, now you high as fuck.
No, I sent it to your Gmail. Get ready to be shooked.
Shooked? Okay. GoPro. What's up?
You gotta play that audio.
Nah, AA playing everybody. Bro, you got a whole bunch of backup accounts right now. Hella active.
No, that's not me. That's not
That sounds like it's you, brother. Come on, brother.
No,
you sent it to the Triple G Discord or the Gmail?
Your Gmail.
That I'm loading it up right now. Old Saul AMC audio. This better not be some nudes or something, bro.
Some questions about dividends. When will AMC pay a dividend?
Well, I've seen suggestion after suggestion that you'd like to see us pay a dividend. I think we've announced publicly previously that our current debt documents prevent us from paying a cash dividend prior to June of 2023. So this is not really a decision for today. This is a decision for a year down the road.
He said a year down the road. When was this? I don't know. Did you guys
Last
hear
year.
that?
That was I didn't. I
That
think
was
they heard
last
it.
year? Yeah, they heard
Yeah.
it. Did you hear it on the stream?
I don't have the stream on. I have it on mute. I mean,
Damn.
I'll play it back
Oh.
right now.
June
Play it
of
back. How's it sounding? Did the stream come through? Audio? I played it for the people. For the apes. GoPro. What's up, GoPro? I don't know. Hope, is this like something you want me to look up? GoPro, is this still a thing? I thought it was dead. Oh, shoot. 4% today. What's going on with GoPro? United by grace, there is still room for these squeezes, baby. How many backup accounts you got, Trippy?
Huh? Oh, that is not me.
That's not you. Which one's you? Are you Lambo? There's a win Lambo.
I don't think that was me either.
Why did a damn Aaron mention 72 debt payment when thing just like? Why did a damn Aaron mention $72 debt payment thingy just like 72 all-time high AMC?
Oh
What?
wow, good point, one Lambo. Good point.
What can you explain?
Yeah, something about the thingamabob 72.5. I think was the something. You know,
Look at the trends real quick on this.
he tweeted it, but my memory is too foggy right now.
Well, what does
Okay.
that mean? We're charting up GoPro right now, and we're talking about AMC apes.
I believe that he's sending subliminal messages, and once earning calls come up, he will announce the stock dividend, and boom, GG.
Game over. Hey, what do you
Yep.
think about GoPro? Hey,
I like
GoPro
GoPro.
doodle sticks.
I think I'm
Pickle
bullish on
sticks
GoPro.
Why is it up 4% though? Manufacturing, selling camera. I think it's a dead business, but maybe there's a short squeeze on this, or what? What are you thinking? Would you play this as a short squeeze or no? It looks like it needs to hold 620.
No, but I will play options with it.
You would?
Yeah.
Damn. This does look like a pump and dump. I don't know. Are people in this for the pump and dump or what? Kind of dookie. Yeah, I do agree with Tickles. There's still room for these squeezes, baby. Which are the best squeezes? I only have a few minutes left, people. I want to join them. What the hell is that?
Amy, GME,
Amy, I haven't checked.
Mullen. I still believe in Mullen.
Mullen?
BBIG, I believe in BBIG heavily just because of Ryan Cohen. Shout out to you, Ryan Cohen. I hope you're watching this.
Yeah, he's a legend. He really is a legend, though, right?
The funniest thing he recently did was buy shares through the Lit exchange.
What do you mean?
Oh, when Ryan Cohen tweeted he puts money where his mouth is,
Yeah.
that was him referring to he bought shares or 100K shares or something, or I forgot how much through Lit exchange.
Yeah. AMC looks good. It broke out of like the resistance. It's got this nice support, so if it can hold.
Yeah, I
above.
wasn't too scared about the red today. I
Yeah.
do believe we'll bounce off the algo
Yeah.
once the GME split happened and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying, you know.
I know what you're saying, brother. What about GoPro though? I don't want to leave homegirl Hope on red. What do you guys think about that? I usually leave them on red, you know, but I gotta help
You
them
know,
out.
I like GoPro.
You like GoPro? Let me look at the OBV. OBV is not looking good, honestly. This is on the 1 hour though. Let me peep the daily. I think the only thing this one really has going for it is maybe a buyout, but that's it. Is that the news on this or what? Let me just go look this up. GoPro stock. Why did it rally really quick? Outperforms competitors on trading day 1 day ago. Wonder cheap stock 50%. Don't fear this dip. Let me read this real quick. Market Watch. I swear, bro, it told me I'm out of articles. God damn it. Still? Okay. No, this, I don't know what's going on. I can't even access any articles. Sorry. I'm not going to be able to help much on this. It doesn't look bad if it holds 620, but I wouldn't trade this because it looks like a meme. And it's not like the original meme AMC. AMC's like the original meme, right? This one probably will go to like 20, bro. Honestly. It looks like it wants to go back up. What do you think? Like these levels up here?
I believe so. I do believe.
Yeah, I wouldn't be
I do believe that GoPro has. How were the last earnings for GoPro? I do know that they don't really miss.
They don't miss? What do you mean? They don't miss? Oops.
They don't miss earnings. They never do.
They don't. Damn, they never miss earnings. They do sell off though. They sold off last time. Are they profitable? They made like 6 cents. I guess they might be profitable for the quarter. I don't know. I'm not too sure on GoPro. Damn, you slurping on that? What you got, Taco Bell?
Strawberry milkshake.
Damn, you're blessed, bro. Life's good for you. Apes. Apes are good, man. Apes got it good. All you need is what, like 1,000 shares? And you're good? You a millionaire?
Yeah, non-financial advice.
Nope. Not financial advice, people.
Everybody listening, I do recommend you copying some GME shares when the split happens. Do not miss this opportunity because this is a $200+ stock.
Okay. Not financial advice though. Hey, actually,
no, this is financial advice. Actually, if you don't do it,
not on my channel.
If you don't do it, you deserve.
You're missing out.
To have a bad year in the market.
Damn. He's real. I mean, he's real, but I mean, that's kind of savage, but he's real though. But he's right.
This is the easiest play.
Easiest play. Let me look at GME real quick before we. This is gonna be my last thing though, and I kind of said this already. It looks good. I think today's red day is nothing to be scared of. As long as it holds 150, you're gonna keep pushing back up to 167. Maybe the high, which is like what, almost $200. Sheesh, that's some money right there, boy. That's some money right there. That's some cold hard cash, boy. So I don't know. Don't think this is financial advice, but there's definitely something going on over here. Something cooking over here. Am I right, brother?
Ryan Cohen did not just announce a 4-to-1 stock split. It is a 4-to-1 in dividend stock split. In the form of a dividend.
Oh, shit. So what does that mean? What up, Jimmy? Hey, welcome to the stream, bro. I'm about to log off
free shares.
Free shares for everybody?
Oh, yeah, but it's too late now.
Yeah, you had to. When was the deadline for this? Last week?
Today.
Oh, no. And the extended hours are closed, bro, so I can't even get in.
Yeah, it's so cool. You'll call that 40.
Maybe I'll get some tomorrow, bro. We'll see. We'll see how my pocket's looking. I gotta make some money off this Snapchat put that I got. You think I'll print tomorrow?
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Oh, they are in my favor. It's down 26%. Hey, what up, Jimmy? Hey, man, I'm about to hop off, dude. Wish you would have joined a little earlier, but I wish you were here a little earlier, bro. It was
Jimmy,
a good time.
that's my alternate account.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, so is Tickles and United by Grace, One Lambo, Hope, and
June.
Who else? No, I think that's real.
Is Jimmy yours for real?
No, none of them are.
What about NASCAR? I know that's your backup account.
No.
No? Okay. What about Edwards? Yo, we're gonna wrap this one up because I actually got a meeting with the homies. Oh, how's them Tesla calls? I told you to get over the weekend. Let's go, Jimmy. Yeah, you guys did good. I didn't play them. I was getting Was wrecked? Is that the right word? I was getting smacked over here with some.
He was in DKNG.
Yes, sir. DKNG. Oof. Don't remind me, Trippy. I lost a lot of money on that DKNG. But no, man. We knew what was gonna happen with Tesla. I didn't expect this big of a move today. Today was the day to get the calls, not yesterday, because you got that IV crush, and then today you got the calls and you gassed up. But I think we have a red day tomorrow. Obviously, are Futes down? Let me peep this real quick, Jimmy. How's the Futes looking, Trippy? I gotta get off soon, bro, because I got this meeting I gotta go into.
Futures are mild.
They mild? Oh no, they're down 0.42. Snapchat dragging the market down, people. Get your puts, puts.
Yep.
But Jimmy, definitely on watch tomorrow. Netflix, Pinterest, Tesla, I think will be definitely on watch. Roku might even be something to watch. Google, Amazon. And then we have the 5G Verizon Wireless reporting. So
this is my strategy. I wake up at like 11 or 2, and then I look at my Amy and GME. I've been doing that this whole week. They've been green. I've been sleeping good, let me tell you that.
Yeah, I bet you have. You're a millionaire. If you got 1,000 shares, you're sleeping good. When you're slurping on that strawberry smoothie. When's the next time you are? I'm not sure exactly, Jimmy. I'm not sure what time I'm on, but you can join the Discord. Dude, I'm hella active on the Discord now for some reason. We got a couple people in there. We got Greg. We got Plug. Plug's been really putting in that work, boy. I'm proud of him. I don't know. He's been a little distant towards the end of today. I don't know. I think he probably went take a nap or something. But yeah, we've been hella active on there. I'm trying to get the little Discord growing, you know, but it is what it is. It's not, it's honest work, honestly, you know. Am I right, Trippy?
Yeah, I think we have a good group of smart individuals in there as well.
Yes, sir.
We all get along.
Yeah, it's not toxic in there for real. It hasn't been toxic. It's been casual. Yeah, you can join anybody who's joining later. Just, you know, keep it real, keep it 100. London, what's up, London? Be active on the Discord, boy. Yeah, and you just be active and you level up. You know what I mean? What else? And what else could you ask for? Jimmy, I'm gonna try to get on. I need to get off soon because I really do got this thing. I should already be off. What's today? Friday? No, today's Thursday. Definitely this weekend, man.
Oh, really? I thought it was Friday.
Definitely.
All right.
Be on this
you know
weekend.
what? My head is everywhere right now. Actually.
Oh, my head's everywhere too. My guy, I'm gonna be on this weekend. I appreciate everybody that tuned in. Trippy on the voice chat right now. Shout out Trippy, Jimmy, Tickles, Hope, Saul, June. We got NASCAR, we got Edwards, we got Eddie, Trigger.
One Lambo, United by Grace.
United by Grace, Trigger Man, Jabril.
Caden Durr.
Williams. Everybody shout out to you guys for helping me do this thing for y'all. Thanks for liking the video. What else, Trippy?
I'll see you guys on the other side.
Yes, sir. You guys got a plan, so y'all stay positive. Keep moving forward. We're going to see you in the next live stream. If y'all need anything, just leave it in the comments or whatever. Follow me on Twitter. Use the Unusual Whales. You guys know the deal. All the links are down below. It helps me out. And that's it. You guys be good. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. And take us away. I'm signing out, Trippy. What you guys say?
Jet fuel cannot melt steel beams.
Yeah, there's a fun fact for y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm out. And y'all have a great night. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.